All right. Welcome to this 1 hour game jam. We do be doing this every Friday right here on YouTube. How y'all doing? Welcome. Hope you're doing great. Yeah, it's a 1 hour game jam. It's not just a game jam in 1 hour. It's a game jam where we make games in 1 hour. Literally 1 hour. I don't know why we do this, because we love doing it. We do what we do. Hope you are doing great. We got Dark Rosen in this house. AI Henry, Al Henry, I'm still not sure which, but it's Henry. Early gang, let's go. Neil in the house. A game jam I can participate in. I mean, look, I admire anyone who's able to make a game in 1 hour. That is what we do. We're gonna start in 7 minutes. In 7 minutes is when we're gonna get started. We gotta come up with a topic, things like that. I gotta tell you guys how it goes. So here's a little bit of info. I am going to make a game in 1 hour. You're gonna watch me do it if you want to, and then we're gonna check out all of your guys' games that you make in 1 hour. So it's gonna be kind of interesting. The links are in the description if you want to check out the games that are made today, or you want to submit your own game. So yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. Do we got Frank? We do got Frank up in this house. Welcome, Frank. Good to see you. Good to see you. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to tell you the rules, because if you don't know the rules, then how can you really participate? It's non-rated, y'all. It's non-rated. We can't do that because it's about getting the game dev gears in our brains turning, just seeing what do we know? What can we achieve in 1 hour? Let's just find out. It's for fun, but it's also for learning. So don't worry, it's not a lot of pressure. It's all love here. I promise we'll be nice. At least I will be, and I'll make sure everyone else is too. Here are the rules. Number one, make your entry a game. Just make it a game. That's all you gotta do. And if it's a game to you, it's a game to me. If you don't finish it all the way, that's okay. Just go for a game type feel. Number two, use the topic. And chat, do we have topic suggestions? Do we have topic suggestions? I see the chat popping off, but like, do you have a suggestion? Literally, all you gotta do is incorporate the topic into the jam in some way, into your entry. You don't have to make it all about the topic, just somehow get it in there. Merpmaker says time. Ooh, interesting, very interesting. I like that, nice. And the third rule is you only have 1 hour, y'all. In 4 or 5 minutes, we're gonna start that 1 hour. One thing I forgot to mention about making it a game, it can be a tabletop game, you can make it narrative based, you can make it in Scratch, you can make it in Unreal Engine, I don't care, 3D, 2D, that's all good. There is one stipulation though, okay? It needs to be HTML based. That is to say, I have to be able to play it within the browser, okay? Scratch entries are gonna be played last, so you should know that. I'm gonna save the Scratch entries for last. There's a reason for that, but we are cool with that. As long as it's a URL and I can get there, we're good. And if you do it all in 1 hour, 1 hour. Now look, if you go overtime a little bit, that's okay. That is okay if you go over an hour. You'll have a little extra time, especially if you do a pre-submission, which I'm about to teach you how to do a pre-submission, because I like to do a pre-submission. It'll let you update your game after this timer ends. And then if you need even more time, we can always check it out as a late entry at the beginning of next week's episode. All right, so I think those are pretty much all the rules that you need to know, y'all. I think those are pretty much all the rules. So time is a topic suggestion. Okay, I don't mind that. Some more says nuke. Oh, interesting. We got Gigi Casa in the house. Welcome, good to see you. Hope you're doing good. Thanks for stopping in. Nuke time. Topic is time. Topic is time. Time travel. Editing. Editing nuke time travel. Editing nuke time. Move and destroy. Okay, so that kind of feels like it goes with the nuking thing. So what if you're like traveling through time destructively? A destructive time traveling to stop a nuclear explosion. And saving the world from apocalypse. Nuke is hilarious. It actually is kind of funny. Cat. Just cat. Well, we would want to say save cats in a nuclear apocalypse, right? Can I make it in real life and ship it to you? I'll get right on getting a PO box, and then we'll see what happens. All right, we have a lot of topic suggestions. Move and destroy. I like that. I'm thinking brain blast. This is a lot. This is a lot of topic suggestions. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's say it might be hard to make it an hour yet. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. Dig, pencil. These are all great words. All things. I'm really kind of into this like idea of going through time to change something in history. I feel like that's like the vibe that I'm getting from everything. So let me hop over here to itch, and again, itch.io is where you're gonna want to send your entry, submit it and everything, and I'm gonna need to make sure I do a pre-submission. I'm gonna show you guys how to do one too. So I'm thinking something like time travel, changing time. I know, I don't know if that fits with like what you always saying, but I kind of like changing time. All right, we got the topic 2 minutes early. That's 2 minutes early. This is a 1 hour and 2 minute game jam, guys. Topic is decided, changing time. This is for move and destroy, all right? I want to kind of go with that because you can move back in time and destroy something, right, Rogi? Maybe we kind of got that in there. Changing time, that's what it's going to be. So I want it to be kind of broad. I want it to have some action, something fun to it. That's what it is. Now I'm going to do a pre-submission. Let me show you guys a pre-submission. Since we have a whole minute, guys, okay, I know you want to start on your entries. I know, but just wait. Do this because this is going to help you. I promise. Unless you're one of these folks who's great at like planning ahead of time. Maybe you are. Maybe you're like ready to plan whatever you're going to submit. You know, good for you. Bless your heart. But I'm not. And so I need to do a pre-submission. So let me show you guys how to do that. All right. Okay. So here's the jam, right here. This is the jam page. You see it, I see it, we all see it. Everybody knows it. Click on submit your project. All right. Skip all this, ignore all that mess. Don't even worry about it. Hit upload my game. All right, you're just gonna go right to upload my game. You're gonna give it a title. Let's just say changing time jam entry. That's the topic, changing time. Changing time jam entry. Come down here, save and view page. Done, pre-submission, that's it. You've pre-submitted. Now, why would you want to pre-submit? There is a reason why you'd want to pre-submit. And the reason why you want to pre-submit is because after the timer ends, this lovely, ominous thing right here, when this timer ends, you're going to be able to come back and update this. You can keep updating it. So I really recommend you guys do a pre-submission. Honestly, there's no excuse. There's no excuse if you can't make it happen. Remember, make sure it's HTML based. Let me show you a little bit about that. So when you come to upload your game, all right, you'll come up here, you'll change your things, switch it to HTML, all right? Now, if it's a URL that you're linking somewhere else, you can still do this and put your URL in the description, all right? Put your URL right in there, all right? If you're submitting it on Godot, you might want to check shared array buffer support, stuff like that. One last thing, hit public. Hit public. Configure settings if you want, unlist it so that way people can't find it. Maybe you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't do a great job. I only made it in 1 hour. That's okay. That's all right. Unlist it, then people won't be able to find it. You don't have to worry. So hit save and then you'll be good to go and you'll have your entry. Beautiful. If it's not public, we can't see it. So make sure it's public. One last thing I want to show you. If you want to hide it from your profile page on itch because you're like, you know, this is embarrassing. I didn't do a good job. I made it in an hour. Understandable. So you're going to come over here to the itch page, hit edit theme, scroll on down, and you gonna hide it. Just hide it. Just get it right out of there. Hit save, and now it's not there anymore. So that's it. That's what I want to show you. Hopefully you guys are gonna get your pre-submissions in because I really can't recommend it enough. Okay. What else is there to say? Subscribe. Press the subscribe. Have you? We do this game jam every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. I make sure this stays up as a VOD for a few weeks. So that means if you hit that subscribe button, you are going to be more aware of these awesome game jams and the amazing entries that we get every week. So thank you if you're willing to hit that subscribe button, and welcome to Hyper Game Dev. All right. So what's next? I need to come up with my game idea. I've got Godot booted up. That's what I'm going to use for my entry. It's a blank scene, very ominous, but that is what it is. I'm going to pull up MS Paint, and I am going to plan my game. Changing time is the topic. Interesting. Okay, so if time isn't changed, then what happens? Does something bad happen? Do you need to change the time? Does changing the time, does it, what's up, Dragonblade? Welcome, good to see you. Does changing, so, I mean, okay, so we could have like a clock, and there could be a clock somehow, that's not a clock, that's a line. There's a clock. Can changing time be changing the current moment or changing how time functions? It's literally whatever you want. It's whatever you want. You can even just make a Space Invaders game and the enemies are clocks. You know, I don't care. It's up to you how you want to interpret it. But that's a really good idea. That's a really good idea. Changing the current moment or how time functions. I like that. We could just like straight up have a clock. Reversing time. Whoa. Like, it could also be like, you know, I mean, time change, if there's a countdown, right? That's changing time. This is a pie chart is what I've drawn here. I've just drawn a pie chart. Let's see. I think it'd be fun if there was some way, maybe you like collect time and like your timer goes up, like, because I have to think about what can I actually do in Godot. It could also be like timing, like the timing could change. Maybe we, it does look like a pie. Maybe we could have like, certainly collectibles. I'm thinking there are clocks that you can collect. If nothing else, clock collectibles, and it adds on to your time. So if we have like a race, right? Like you got to get from start to finish. But there's like different ways. Okay, this is going to take some balancing. Straight up. Like, I'm a little concerned about this because I have balancing ideas. So you're going to have a time, and it's going to change, all right? It's going to change. And you have to get from point A to point B. So this will be point A. We'll say start, and then we'll say finish, right? You got to get there. I don't know. I'm just planning out my game. I'm imagining what it's going to be like. How am I doing? Speaking of time, how am I doing on time? 5 minutes in, baby. 4 minutes. I would say about 4 minutes in. Okay, so we have to get to the finish. There's going to be collectibles that are clocks all along the way. This clock is losing its resolution very quickly. We get here, so you can take like an easy short path, but you're gonna run out of time. What will be good for you is if you get little, I feel like I've tried to make a game like this before, is if you get little time collectibles along the way. So if you go out of your way to get time collectibles, then you can actually make it. That's it. That's my whole game idea. That's my entire game idea. There could be obstacles in the way maybe, and so you're changing time because collecting these will increase your time. I don't know. I've definitely tried to make a game like this before, and it wasn't super easy. So, but it wasn't in Godot, so maybe in Godot I'll have an easier time. I'm gonna make some obstacles. That's an obstacle. It's in your way. Is it a cool idea? I don't know. We're gonna find out. We are gonna find out. All right, that's it. That's my idea. Now that I have my idea, I don't know if you guys know what time it is, but for me, it's time to check out what's going on in the Humble Bundle world. It's time to know what's going on in the Humble Bundle world, because Humble Bundle do be releasing some new bundles this week, which I think are kind of freaking cool. For example, this game design and programming bundle of books. It's books. Yes, it's books, but it's heavily discounted books. We have this Roblox game development one here, Unity, Unreal Engine, AR stuff, learning Blender. So if you're like trying to get into game dev and you want to get started, or you want to like continue to advance your knowledge, these are some like deep reads into this stuff. And yes, even Roblox, you can learn that stuff in a deep way. So this is a really, really nice thing because you can support Hyper Game Dev if you use the links in the description box. The Humble Bundle links are in the description box. If you go and you find that link there, you can adjust the donation, right? Hit custom amount, and this wonderful, beautiful, beautiful Humble Bundle website will let you divert the money right to Hyper Game Dev. What? I love that. So if you want to support Hyper Game Dev and get your game dev learning on, make sure you check out those links and adjust that donation so we get a little extra support. There's a couple other ones. This one is super awesome. Not game dev specific, but it's a Corel. I always said Corel. Does someone say Coral? I don't know. I said Corel. It's a Coral software bundle. It's got Paint Shop Pro. It's got Video Studio Pro. I said Video Shop. Video Studio Pro, Aftershot Pro. Just like very good programs, like excellent content creation, art, video creation programs, and you can use this for game development. Really, really cool. This one is super discounted, all right? Super discounted. Again, you can adjust that donation and support Hyper Game Dev. And then there are some more game development specific ones out here. This one is software architecture, if you want to learn that. That one exists. There's the Unreal Apocalypse. This has a bunch of epic game store assets, right? So you can use this for your Unreal Engine game development purposes, or you could get this from the Epic Game Store and use it in other engines as well. It's all kinds of apocalypse related assets. Maybe you gotta go back in time and stop the apocalypse, but you can't go back in time yet, so you gotta fight the apocalypse now. Now you got all the assets you need. That one you can also support Hyper Game Dev through, and then there's some other Unreal Engine ones too. So check all those out. Humble Bundle is doing a great thing by giving us these discounts. So check out those description links and help support Hyper Game Dev. All right. How am I doing on time? How quick did we get through that? Okay, I still got 50 minutes left. Oh yeah, I love it. Merp is gonna make something like my idea. Okay, we'll see who does it better. I'm just kidding. This is not a rated game jam. We are not versusing each other. But you'll probably do a better job than me. You probably will. I'm just gonna keep it real. Because I already nerfed myself with time and whoa, changing time. And I'm streaming, so you're gonna pull it off. I know you are, Merp. Henry has their game idea. Let's go. I'm gonna set up my own timer. I like to set it a little less just to like trick myself. Yeah, I like to trick myself a little bit because it just like helps me hurry up. He will do it better. Merp is love, Merp is life. All right. Okay. All right. That seems a little culty. Are you guys in a cult? I'm going to set mine to 48 minutes is what my timer is going to be. I like to do this so I just feel like I have more time than I actually do. But I don't feel like I have more time than actually. You know what I mean? It's like, oh my gosh, I got pressure. And then it's like, wait, no, I don't. All right. So we need time. I'm going to set up a timer first. Let's just get a timer. And I'm going to need this timer to be able to receive new updates. We are the ones who shall prevail. Whoa, it's freaking ominous, man. You're scared. You guys are scaring me a lot. You guys are really scaring me. Okay, so I want to make it in 3D. I always like making it in 3D. I can't help it. I'm going to create a timer. Do I want to create it in code or do I want to try to update it this way? I'm a little scared to update it this way. Do I even know how to create a timer? What if I make a fake timer? I think I'm going to make a, let's do this. I'm going to say that a timer, but we want it to increase. I didn't think about that. We want the time that it currently is to increase. So I kind of need to create my own timer. What if it just adds on and it needs to count down? The timer needs to count down. That's what has to happen. That's what has to happen. Okay, I got you. So I'm gonna actually create a timer then, and this is going to just be timer. It's all it is. It's just called timer. That's all it's called. And then I'm gonna make a script. Who knows if this is the best place for it? Game. This is the game script. And I want to connect this timer to my script. Let's actually make a label first. So that way we can have something that actually counts. That would be nice, right? Right? Something that changes with text. So let's set that up. We'll say time. I'm going to say label time. I'm going to duplicate this. And I'm going to say label actual time. Okay, I didn't name that great. That's okay. And then I'm just gonna scooch this next to it. Hopefully, oh, I always do this where I don't change the size first. You know there's better ways to do this. You all do, but I'm doing it this way. Let's make it, this is a very important thing, so I think it should be quite large. Okay, put it like that. And I don't want this to say anything. We'll have it say 0 for now. We'll start it out with 0. And this has to count down. This has to count down. It also has to be able to get larger. I do think we want it to be aligned to the left so it will grow outward. See how it just like doesn't line up right? That really bothers me. It's fine. And then now that I have that, we can go back to our script. Oh, not our script yet. First, I have to connect this time. Say every time it times out, connect to our game script, please. On timer timeout. I want it to update a variable. So let's create a variable for time left. Variable time left, right? You can line them with the layout node. Oh, right. It's like a horizontal, like a vertical box or whatever. You know, I forget. I know that they exist. I panic. That's why I panic. I'm like, just do what you know. Just do what you know. But now I know. Now that you've said that, next time I'm gonna do that. You saying it makes all the difference. Variable time left. I don't really care. It doesn't have to be set to anything. And then we want to say every time that timer ends, time left, we add 1 onto, or take away 1. Wait. We don't want it to be 0, right? I want it to be something else. We want it to be something other than that. Oh, forgot about that. So I guess we can say 60 seconds is a long time. So I'm going to give it, I kind of want the player to feel pressure right away. Do you know what I mean? Like, we might as well. So I'm going to put it at 10 seconds. It's going to start out at 10. So you're like in danger right away. I think that's pretty exciting. Okay. So there's that. And then that might work. We just have to add one extra thing in here, which is in the ready function. I want to say that, and we should say time left equals 10 to start with, right? So that way it's subtracting that properly. And in the ready function, I'm going to say, label, let's just drag it in like this. Actual time. Do we want to do set text? Is that it? Or is it just like text equal? I don't remember. I don't remember. Time left, did I do that right? Is that what correct is? Is that what correct is? Let's see. Let's see if I did that correctly. Oh, I have to save it. Game. This is the game scene. Yeah, it's the game scene. Does that work? Did I do it wrong? I did. Not text. Let's see if set text. Let's see if set text helps. What happened? What happened? What happened? I don't know. What did happen? What do you mean? What do you mean? Your message didn't go through? Oh, yeah. So if you send a URL in the chat, or YouTube thinks you sent a URL, or if you say a bad word, or YouTube thinks you said a bad word, they'll just nuke your messages and they won't tell you. It's really annoying, but it's true. I know, you maybe didn't mean to. Is fart a bad? Okay. Yes, no. How do we even do this? How do we even do this? Set text, string, oh, okay. Value, so we have to put it in a quote, or in a parenthesis. I think that's my problem, right? Like, that better be my problem. That better be my freaking problem. All you said was you're having a brain fart? I'm so sorry. You didn't deserve for that to be a problem. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Why don't I know how to do this? Why did I forget how to set labels? I forgot. You're having a brain fart. I'm having a brain fart. I'm about to ask ChatGPT something that I do often, but I can't remember right now because of the time limit. But I have to just do this. I'm not going to sit here and puzzle it out. How do I do this correctly in GD's script? Just fix it for me. Fix it. Make it right. Was there any assets rules for the jam? No. You can use assets you've made before. You can use other assets. I don't care. Flip them. Flip away. No rules whatsoever. I mean, obviously, keep it within family-friendly rules, but that's it. That's all. That's all. Wait. No, 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 no. It's wrong. No, I'm telling you that it's wrong. Or you can set them from a PNG, steal it from a PNG. Yeah. Why can't I do this? Why do I not know how to set text right now? Okay, here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna pull up the documentation. I wonder how much time. Yes, a city burning down is family friendly. Why do I not know how to do this? Just text. Just text. It's just text. It's just text. But then it also says set text. Guys, what am I doing wrong? Why am I so embarrassing right now? Okay, let me try this one last time. But this looks correct. Do you know what I mean? Like, to me, this looks like I'm doing it right. Oh, can I convert argument 1 from integer to string? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so embarrassed. Do you know how embarrassed I am? Do you know how embarrassed I am? We gotta do string. I was doing it right. I was doing it right. I forgot to convert it to a string. We gotta wrap it in this string thing. Guys, I don't need help anymore. I got it. Right? Time. You're gonna count down? Oh, we have to start the timer. Start the timer. Auto start. I don't want it to be auto start though. I want it to be if the player starts, but let's do it anyway, just to make sure it works. It doesn't. On timeout, time left -1. Oh, because this is in the ready function. We have to put this in process. Actually, we could put that there and then put this here, and then it'll update every single time. Check it out. Bam! Woo! All right. All right. The brains are farted, but you know what? We get there. We get there. Can I use the change time mechanics to increase the game jam time? If you can, yes. If you can figure that out, yes. Yes, you may. I would be very impressed. Itch might be upset about that, but I won't mind. All right, so we obviously want it to stop at 0, right? So we want to say on timer timeout if time left is greater or, well, I guess technically just greater than 0, but I've often had some bad success if I don't put equal. But just out of curiosity, let's see if that fixes it. I'm worrying about the details a little bit. I'm thinking about the details a little bit. I probably shouldn't, because I still got to make a whole game. You know, the whole game part. Nice. And there it stops. And then we would also want to say, if time left is set to 0, then we want to run something else. And in this case, I'm going to say a new label here, and it's going to be game over. It's going to be game over. Label game over. Game over. Classic game over. Now, if you do well, I mean, it would be nice if there was like a score that we could show. You know, people would appreciate knowing their score, right? Who wouldn't want to know their score? Monsters. Monsters. There we go. Game over. And then we could say something extra. So what is your score? Is it like how much time? Maybe like how much time you had left is your score. But what if you get to the finish line? That's not fair. If you get to the finish line and you don't get anything other than a game over, 0 points, we could say final score or label score. And then this one is going to be score. I'll say final score. Let me make that a little small. I am focusing on some, I don't know. I usually don't work backwards like this. So who knows? This could be a wonderful thing that I'm doing. I could be like really glad that I did this actually. I just don't know yet. I'm nervous. Score actual score. Scoot this over. And then I'm going to type in nothing. It's going to be 0 unless you get something. I really want you to be able to get something. I guess we could say if we could have a couple different things here. We can control this elsewise, right? We can control this elsewise. So I'm just gonna leave that just like that. Now I'm gonna come back to my script and I'm gonna say if time left equals 0. And I'm actually gonna add a new control node here. And I'm gonna bundle all the score game over stuff into that control node. This is gonna be game over. And we wanna say, make this visible if time left is set to 0. Visible, true. And then we could also say, if time else, or if time left is set to 0, that, and then if, we'll have another variable if finished, and this is just a true or false, right? It's going to be false. But if it's true, if finished, then we'll say that label actual score gets +1. You get +1. So we actually have to make a variable for this, right? So we need another variable. We need variable score equals 0. And then we have to make sure that that gets set. We'll say it gets set here. Instead of time left, this will be score. And we want to make sure that score gets +1. All right? Just to test it. Well, let's test it. Let's see where we're at. All right, yep. All right, come on. You can hurry up a little bit. Game over, final score 0. Beautiful. And then, you know what would be nice too? You know what would also be nice? If we say await, oh gosh, do I know how to do this? Uh-oh. I don't know if I know how to do this. I gotta go to another project. It's like get tree, create timer or something. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's create timer. Yeah, that's right. Am I doing this right? Create timer 3. We'll say 5 seconds. Timeout. And then we could do, oh gosh, I don't know what reload is. Do you know ChatGPT? GD script reloads game scene. I kind of would rather there be a button if I'm being honest. All right, get out of my face. I don't care. Whatever. You refresh the page. I don't have time for this. What was I gonna do though instead? I don't know. Let's see what happens if this is true, if the score is gonna update. Was there something else I was gonna do? Probably. Oh. Score plus equals 1. Why would the time, if finished, score plus equals 1, and then show that? Label, oh, because I put it on actual time, that's why. That would explain it. That would officially explain it, why that happened. Okay, got it. That was scary. Because this is some low level, high level, some easy level. This should not be complicated. All right, I'm taking it slow. 30 minutes to make the actual game. But you know, honestly, hey, 10, 11. It's the time. Oh yes, of course. The time score. Why? Why would that? Oh, because it's doing it every second. So we actually need the timer to stop, right? We would want this to only happen once. Actually, if we put this in time left, right, then it's only going to run one time because the time left set to 0 is only going to be true one time. But your time isn't necessarily going to be 0 when you win. So this needs to just be somewhere else. This just needs to be somewhere else. I mean, it could be on, yeah, at least just put it in the process. It's a silly little game. You know what would be nice is if we had there's going to be somewhere else we can put this, right? And if I want the game to be optimal, I will put it there. For now, it's going to be in process. Is this going to happen every frame and it's going to be like a giant number? Is that what's about to happen right now? Is it going to be just a ridiculous? Yes, yes, it is. That is how that works. Okay, okay. Just happened one time for me there, friend. I guess we could run our own function, right? And we just say that function runs one time and then it never runs again. Oh gosh, oh gosh. What's my easiest way to do this? I know the easiest way to do it. I'm going to comment this out. That's what we're going to do. We're going to comment this out. We're going to do it later. We're going to make our finish line and then we'll worry about that. Okay, game. So let's add some stuff in here that makes it a game. I'm going to add a area 3D. Okay, and in that area 3D, I'm going to put a mesh. Okay, and this mesh is going to be our finish line. Okay. And our finish line, I'm going to use stuff I did from the last jam. I think it was the last one. No, actually, let's just do this. I have a better idea than what I did in the last one, now that I think about it. What if I just duplicate this mesh, right? We just duplicate it like that. And we make one white and one black. And now... we can have a finish line. Easy finish line. Done. Checkerboard. I wouldn't say it's easy because I'm about to overcomplicate it a little bit here by duplicating it and then moving it and adjusting it. Super ugly, but good enough for me. Kind of Tetris it together here. I should put on like snapping or something, but yeah, that would be a little too easy, don't you know? I think you do know how easy that would be. That's the problem. I don't want it to be easy. I actually do, I'm lying. Let's put all this like that. Finish line, done. And then I'm going to add some collision in here, right? Collision shape 3D. I'm going to make that a box. We still got to get collectibles that increase the time. So that'll be probably pretty easy, right? I got to make this shape a little wider. A little longer. Looks good to me. Looks beautiful, kind of. Maybe not quite the size of it. Get it like right around there. Looks pretty good. Let's get it more centered. Really sloppy, but you know what? That's 1 hour for you. I'm proud of it. Okay, there we go. Collision shape. Now, this won't be collidable in the walking on top of it sense. It's just like a visual thing. So this is going to be finish line. And then we're going to need a track, right? We're going to need something we can actually move around on. So I'm going to add a static body. And for this one, I'm going to add another mesh. And it's going to be a plane as well. And this will be our actual ground. I don't know. I don't really have a... Let's see, our games are supposed to look cool or something, right? Right, the artistic side of it. Why would you be collecting time? Why would time increase? I don't know, because you're a cheater in a race? Because you're a hacker? All right, so you're a racing hacker. So, obviously... a hacker ground would be black with green binary numbers on it, right? I don't have any green binary texture to put on here, and I'm not going to. It's not going to happen. But I bet we could do a noise texture. I bet we could. Give me some noise, right? Right? Does this work? Does this happen? Is this something that can be done? Do I know how to do it? Do I know how to do it? I thought maybe I would have known how to do it, but I don't know that I do know how to do it. There it is. Hey! Sweet. Your game is giving you FNAF vibes. That's exciting. That's cool. That means it's gonna be good. Okay. Bam. Hacker ground. Art. Let's go. Let's go. If it was even a little pixelated, that would be sweet. Let's give it a little more, yeah, hacker ground. So you're a hacker. You're a hacker who is hacking the race so you can go faster. It's giving, your game is giving you asteroids vibes. Nice. Classic. Oh, shoot, it doesn't tile. Okay. Maybe there is a way to make a tile. Don't know how to do that. Uh-oh. Am I breaking it? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I did too many subdivisions. I'm sorry. Please, please don't crash. Please, please. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Is that what that does, though? I don't really know what this does. I'm sure there's a way to make a tile, but we could also increase the frequency. I'm thinking a lot about some of this stuff. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm thinking a lot about this stuff. Knuckle Blaster's game is giving you very early development of a game vibes. Yeah. Right, right, totally. Fair, fair. Reasonable. Makes sense. Yeah, we could just make it bigger, and I think we'll be fine. Lise, what? You're almost out of time. Okay, 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 okay. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. We need it to be quite gigantic. I need it to be huge, right? This is the entire game we're talking about here. The entire game is gonna be on this track. So it kind of needs to be big enough. It kind of looks like hacking. Not real hacking, obviously. The idea of the aesthetic. The cultural zeitgeist aesthetic of hacking. Is this... I don't know if this is very long. It's kind of hard to tell. I guess it depends on the size of our character. You got to think about that. So how much time do I have? 23 minutes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm in danger. Let's make this noise. If I make it more frequent, it's probably... I probably don't even realize, like, how much... file size I'm using and stuff. Like, I'm probably causing all kinds of problems. I don't even know it. All right, there we go. Ground. All right, ground is made. Now I want to add a collision in there, and I actually want to make sure this goes under the finish line, so, you know, you can actually walk on top of the finish line. You don't fall off and die, because nobody needs that. That's not fun for anyone. And then I'm going to add a collision for this thing. All right, now I need a character. Now I need a character that moves around, and a camera, by the way. Kind of a lot of crap. Kind of a lot of crap. Ground. Let's add in a character buddy 3D. And this character is going to be if it's a hacker, it's an orb, obviously. Because the hacker is actually there, right? I guess it should be a block, right? It's like you have managed to hack into a mainframe, and you aren't a person. You are represented. You're a representative thing, right? So it makes perfect sense that you would be not in your human form. You know, it makes a lot of sense. Albedo, texture, noise. We're doing more noise, baby. I'm addicted. I love the noise. Fast noise. Sweet. And then can we make it like a different color? Yeah, like a different color. Something not this. Something a bit different. Where is the... Here, wait, where's the color settings? Why do I not know where the color settings is? Didn't we just do this? I thought I knew how to do this. I thought we just did this. Oh, noise type. Wait, how did I do the colors before? Where it had, oh, color ramp, new gradient. There we go. And then we're gonna make it blue. All right. And black. Or maybe like a dark blue. I am like spending some time on things. Okay, so there's your character, all right? I'm not saying it's beautiful, but it is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. So, now we got our character. I need this character to have some collision. We're gonna add a collision for it. And I'm gonna add a script to the character. Looks good. And then I'm gonna add a camera. I'm even just gonna add it into the character. Sue me. And then let's see. Please don't sue me. And then let's see if we can't move this camera to be in the character. Let's look at what it looks like. Oh, it looks freaking dope, is what it looks like. It looks awesome, actually. Let's move it down, move it up. That's a little too down. Yeah, it's a little too down. Beautiful. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, the lighting is looking terrible. So we're gonna add that in here. Add the sun. I would say for the world environment, if we could keep it hackery. Yeah, just like a black void, I think will be good. I think that'll be totally fine. Maybe like a little green on the sky for the vibe, for the mood. Okay. All right. So there's that. Obviously, we're moving a little slow. It would be nice if we weren't so slow. All right. So I'm going to adjust our speed a bit here. Let's make it 10 so it feels a little faster. I got 18 minutes left. I like how the finish line moves in the background. It honestly looks cool. It actually looks cool. One thing I don't like about the Godot default controls is that you can't press 2 buttons at once. I'm sure there's a way to set it up to do that. I just have never tried. But, like, I feel like I should because it's really freaking annoying. It's really annoying that I can't press 2 keys at once. And we can jump. Heck yeah. I love it. Okay, so there's that. And then, let's hit a save because that's always nice. We need collectibles, right? So let's get some collectibles out here. I'm actually going to create a new scene for that. For the collectibles, we want this to be a clock. So I'm going to create, this needs to be an area 3D so we can actually grab it. And I'm going to add a mesh in there. Oh, we're going to create a clock in Godot. Good luck with that. Oh, that's not that hard. A cylinder. Okay, hold on. I'm going to churn it around on one of these axes. Probably one I just can guess. But I won't. I'll just press stuff until it looks like the one that I want. And then I'm going to shrink it down so it's flat AF, like a clock. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. If I really wanted to get clocky with it, maybe we could add some hands in there. Okay, all right, Lise. I'm going to make it a plane. Probably going to need those to be a different color so they stand out. And stuff. Let's see. The color that I want will be something like red, apparently. Looks like it might be, there we go, a little too into the clock. It is now out of the clock. All right, I'm gonna duplicate this. Gonna give it a little rotation. Doesn't really matter where. It's a clock. If it says clock, we're good. One hand needs to be shorter than the other. I learned that in school. Let's make this one shorter. A little more classic. Oh, we gotta make it unique. If I don't make it unique, then it will change them both. And that's just wrong. Okay. Get that on here. Kind of looks like a clock. It could look more like a clock, but like then I'd run out of time. So we're just gonna say there's your clock. Eat your heart out. Cool. And then I'm going to make a collision for it. Okay. It would be dope as if it was like rotating. That'd be awesome. Henry's almost done. Nice, Henry. That's amazing. You got time to spare. Good job. I love that. I love that. I don't know what this is. This world of finishing your game early. I don't even understand it. Merp is in the same boat, potentially. Barely done. Neil and Knuckle Blaster are almost done. What? You guys are amazing. Oh, Neil. Yeah, Neil. Right, you are almost... Right, that's right. You are also almost done. Okay, cool. So there's that. So, I'm wrong. I shouldn't try to get it spinning. I mean, we could. Come on. What if I did, though? But what if I did? Wouldn't that be dope? I'm going to try it. I'm going to put an animation player in here. Make a new animation. Call it spin. Why am I doing this? And because it would be cool. That's why. And then we're going to grab the clock. And I'm going to keyframe its rotation as such. Oh, we need to save this as clock. Why is the debugger popping off? That always worries me. It is. You just have to trust me. It's popping off, see? But we're just going to leave it alone. That's going to be there. And then we'll give another frame. And then I'm going to rotate it right there. Grab another keyframe. Let's make it a little longer. You need to make it shorter, by the way. Flip it around here. Grab that rotation. We need to extend this time. Come right there. Rotate it around again. Oh, it doesn't want to snap now. That's okay. Put it here. Keyframe it. And then I'm just going to get the first keyframe and duplicate it. And then we want to wrap to this length. Like that. It's going the wrong way, which doesn't surprise me, actually. Oh, whoopsie. Why would you do that? 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 I know there's probably some way to, like, fix this, but, I'm just going to do it in a hackier fashion. So I don't have to try to figure it out. No, don't go the opposite way. Stop going the opposite way. What is wrong with you? Why would you do that? Starts here, it goes there, and then we need it to go a little further. Just a little further. Like that. Don't flip around. Do not completely flip around. What on this planet is this animation doing? We really have to we have to like guide this very carefully. I'm sure there's some button, you know, there's some setting we can do that makes it spin correctly. Oh God, what if I loop it? What if I just loop it? Do you know what I'm saying? Like, what if I get rid of a bunch of these and I loop it sooner? Wait, but if it... That looks awesome. I love that. That looks freaking great. I love that. That's what we're gonna do. It's gonna look just like that. That's how it's gonna be. All right, done. Oh my God. I'm in deep crap. I'm in deep crap. So this game is not going to be everything I could have ever hoped, but it'll be something. So we're going to put a clock in here. We need to say that if this area is collided with, stuff happens. Better than your animation? Oh, man. Oh, man. It's not going to be called a clock. Can you please be called a clock? Thank you. I would really appreciate it. That would just make my life so much easier if you could be called a clock. Thank you so much. Where is the... Oh, because we're in the camera. I was like, where is the gizmo? So you have 10 seconds to get here. So I need to decide how much time this gives you also. There's going to be no time for balancing. I don't have any time for balancing. But I'm kind of proud of some aspects of this. There's some things that make me proud here. I'm sure there's still something I forgot that needs to be considered, but we'll find out. So what does that look like? Merkmaker found a flaw that ruined your project. Oh God. Wait, they're not. Oh, I forgot to tell them. I forgot to tell them to animate. Forgot about that part. Yeah, kind of need to tell it to animate. We'll say in the ready function, animation player, play, spin. Just do it. Just do it. There it goes. Beautiful animation. they're like facing the wrong way. And then honestly, I would like them to be in slightly different positions so you don't have to jump to get them. I think that would be nice if you didn't have to jump to get them. They're also kind of hard to see. That's just gonna have to be okay. So you grab the clocks. Now we need something to happen, right? The clock needs to notice that it's been collected. Did not really plan on how I'm going to do that. I think you need to create an auto load, Lise. I think that's the only way that's going to work. So I'm going to create an auto load. Here we go. New script, messenger. We're going to go to project settings, auto load. Look for messenger, add it. Open up the messenger script. What are the bugs? Emit signal, error calling from signal timeout. On timer timeout, method not found. Bull crap. That's a load of crap. Wait, it's not a load of crap. Wait, what happened? What do you mean method not found? What? Did I put a typo in there? Okay, well then just reconnect it. Why would it forget the function? What? I've never seen this in my life. Indented block? Oh my God. It's because I didn't pass the process. I hate you. All right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Godot. You didn't deserve that. That was my fault. I'm sorry, Godot. Okay, cool, great. Timer counts down. So you can't make it there in 10 seconds. You actually can't make it there in 10 seconds. You will lose. The game will be over. We also need to say another thing. Oh gosh. Oh man. Oh gosh. I'm out of time, man. Clock, because there's gonna be some cheese possibilities in here. We have to say that the controls can't happen. So I gotta come to the character, and I have to say, finished, or game end, game... oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Let me, oh God. Let me fix this. Signal, one of the signals was clock got. Clock got. Another signal is game over. I don't really need to do it this way, but here we are. The game plays out in reverse if you get negative time. Nice. That's awesome. That sounds awesome, actually. I want to say that we need to get this area entered, connect it to our clock script. I wonder if I don't need an auto load, can I connect this to my main script? No, I can't. Okay, I just wanted to check. So then we want to say messenger. What's it called? Clock got emit. Right? We just want it to run that. That's it. And then we want to receive that over here. So we want to say messenger clock got connect to score or time increase. Create a new function called time increase. And I want to say time left, if this gets called, time left plus 10. We also need it to destroy itself, right? So we need to say queue free. So it can't be collected again. Collect me once, can't get collected again. It doesn't work. Cool. Why not? Why not? Why doesn't it work? On clocks entered area. Why doesn't it work? Oh no. What did I do? What did I forget to do? The messenger's in the auto load. Debugger isn't giving me any help here. Let's make sure this is running. I'm going to say print clock got. But you know, here's the thing is the clock isn't removing itself. So I feel like it's not seeing the player enter it in the first place. Did I make... Oh, I didn't put an area on the player. That's why. I didn't put an area on the player. Add an area 3D to the player. And then we have to duplicate the collision on the player and then drop it in there. That's why. That's why it didn't work. Okay, here we go. Bam! More time. Let's go. Bam! More time. I love it. We also wanted to update the time when that happens so it doesn't take a second for it to update. So I'm going to say also update the label. All right. Okay, so that works. I think there's too many clocks. I think you need less clocks. This is not a great game, and I want that to be absolutely clear. This is not a great game. I mean, that's often true of what I make here because I'm doing my best. But yeah, you have to put it on itch. Put it up on itch. If you anywhere else, there's the community tab. All right, you can do this. I believe in you, Neil. You can do this. All right. Clock. I mean, you can probably get away with just collecting one clock. No, put more clocks. Just have them add less time. That's all you gotta do. Just have them add less time, baby. That's it. They add 2 time. Just a little bit of time. Just a little bit. See, I knew we had to spend some time balancing. I mean, that one's right there, you know, so you can get that one really easily. We come here, we get that. It goes up a little bit. I almost think we need less time. I think we need to start with less time. I'm going to say you get like 2 seconds to start with, right? You start with like 2. And so you will lose immediately. And then you have to quickly get these to increase your time. Oh, that's tough. That's kind of hard. Oh God, nice. Oh Jesus. And then you got to get to the end. It's not the most fun game I've ever played, but it's something. So, oh God, we have to say if you get, so the finish line, I haven't set up the finish line. So the finish line has to report that we're done. So I'm going to say area entered, connect that to what am I doing? To the node 3D. And we want to say when the finish line is entered, we want to say finished is set to true. And when that happens, we also want time left or score to become time left. Really, we want to add it on to there. We want to add the score on the time left. Okay? That's how that's going to work. So we don't even need, you can't finish without collecting time. So we don't need to worry about that. So let me make sure that works. Collect, oh gosh. Oh, it's hard. Oh, it's hard. I do have a little time left. My timer is about to end, but guess what? There's still time. It's time to bring up the itch bar. There's actually about 3 minutes left. There's 3 minutes. See how, oh, I feel so good. I feel so good because I know I've got a little extra time. All right, there we go. Oh God, oh, it's kind of hard. Well, we already lost. You already got a game over. So we need to make sure that the game ends and restarts. Like, that's really important. I'm sorry, but it is. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, dang. Dang, it's hard. I like that. I think it should be hard. Get this stuff. Get this stuff. Get it. Go, 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 go. Okay, so something isn't happening here. On finish line, area entered area. So let me make sure that's happening. We want to say print game finished. All right, I want to see that happen. I don't know. Let me just make sure there's not something obvious here. The character has area. It might, maybe, I mean, it should be colliding. It should be colliding. So I don't really know what to do. Oh God, I can't believe I have to play this to test it. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Oh, shoot. Ah, fudge. Dude, I need to make it easier for myself. I can't test this. Okay, here we go. Go, 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 go. Get this clock. Get that clock. Go, 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 go. Get to the end. And really, it should just finish. Why isn't it working? Oh, it did. So it is. It does say game finished. Okay, so that is working. We are getting to the finish line. Finish becomes true. Score needs to be set to the time left. Oh, but there's like not a lot of time left. Your score isn't anything. That's not fair. So the score. So we have to say score. Add 1 onto the score. In general. Okay. And then what we have to do is we have to stop the character. We have to stop the character. 30 seconds. Oh, guys, I'm going to be a little late. You know I am. You know I always am. Finish, character body needs to, we need to say that input isn't allowed if, this true, no, if finished, if not finished, then you can do all of the movement stuff. Okay? Let me just see if this works. I'm gonna be a little late. I'm running a little late, and you guys, that means you guys get extra time too, which is kind of nice. By the way, it's immediately not working. So why not? Oh, because I set it to being finished right away as a test. I just realized. We want to say false. So that means it works. That means it works. Okay, I think I'm done. I think that's it then. I mean, it doesn't like restart. Well, we need to say that if the timer equals 0, it also stops you. We need that as well, because otherwise you can just keep playing, and that's not fun. So I need to do one more thing, guys. I got to do one more thing. And we got to say that if the timer equals 0, if time left is set to 0, we need finished to be true. So finished becomes true. So that way you can run out of time. And now you can't move anymore. All right, that's it. Done. Save it. Okay, boom. Oh my gosh. I'm up for air. All right, you guys get a little extra time. I get a little extra time. Everybody wins. Thank you so much. I feel good about giving myself extra time because you guys know I start a little late since I do a little intro and stuff like that. So, I feel quite okay with the extra time, and that means you guys get extra time, which is important. Let's see what you guys have been chatting about. Merp doesn't think they can finish their game. That's all right. That's all right. Because you know what? We're going to take it anyway. Neil already knows. We will take it. That's right. Too many bugs. I promise you, Merp, I will give you love. All right? Whatever you make, I will treat it with care. I will not make fun of it. I won't be negative about it. So whatever you're afraid of, and look, at the same time, don't submit it if you're uncomfortable with that. Like literally, if you are like, no, I don't want, like that's okay. But also be aware that there is love here and you will be supported. So just keep that in mind because really, I think it's amazing if you're able to make anything. Like to me, that's amazing and impressive and deserves praise. So, you know, for whatever that's worth. Whatever that's worth. All right, I'm uploading mine to itch. Let's go. I can't wait to see your guide. We got 9 submissions already. Some of them may be pre-submissions, so we'll see how that works out. I'm excited. I'm excited. I need to actually update my own. So this is going to be in the dashboard. Changing time right here. You submitted it very buggy. All right, you'll still go first. I do want to say, if you're submitting via Scratch, and I'm not saying you are, but if you are, then I'm going to have to save yours for the end. All right? And that is because, I need to switch my internet. I need to switch my internet, and I have to wait until it's later because the internet's better when it's later. I know this is wacky. It is Scratch. All right, so I'm going to have to save you for near the end, but you'll be the first Scratch one that we do, all right? We'll make sure you're the first Scratch one that we do. I apologize, but it's the best I can offer you. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here as the cover photo. Upload that. That is in my documents. We're getting it all together. This is the process. This is the way. So mine is hacker racing, hacker must keep hacking. Oh gosh. I apologize, but that's what it is. That's what it is. It is a game. It's HTML. I'm gonna upload it. So the way I'm gonna do it is I'm going to compress it all to a zip file. And it's as simple as that. We can add it in. Submit it in the community section. All right, that works. Converting yours to HTML, that's the way to go. Neil submitted theirs. Henry's game doesn't work. Remember, we'll give you all the love in the world, and we can always save you for as late as possible. Same with you, Merp, with the Scratch especially. That means you get extra time to work on it. You get as much time as it takes me to get through the other entries. So like maybe, you know, but also take a break if you want to take a break. Let's say full screen is available. All right, so how's this game work? How does this game work? You are a hacker. You've entered the mainframe, but time is limited. Collect clocks to gain more time and get to the finish line and collect clocks to gain more time. Race to the finish. The more time you have left, the more points you get. Now, I didn't really try. A lot of it I didn't test. But, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Let's also say use arrow keys to move. I'm not great at like structuring these yet. One day maybe. All right, public, let's go. Save it. All right. Okay. All right. I am going to check out my game now. I'm going to check out my game now. I'm going to test it. I'm going to see if I made a game. I kind of want to do a little background. Is that inadvisable? Given how much time I'm already taking here? I wanna decorate it a little bit. I want a little decoration. Give it a nice font. Give it like a big old pixel font. How about that? That's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. It's like blends with the game. All right. Where's the description? Where's the description? You got to give me the description. I typed it, right? I did type a description, right? Where'd my description go? Oh no! I didn't save it with a description? Brutal. Jeez. Alright, you are a hacker. Okay, I thought I was gonna test it. I should do Knuckle Blasters first, as long as it's not Scratch. You are a... I'm sorry, guys. I lost my whole thing. Knuckle Blasters code broke? Oh my gosh, you guys. You are a hacker. You've finally entered the mainframe. Use arrow keys to but time is of the essence. Use arrow keys to collect clocks and increase your time. Race to the finish. Race to the finish with as much time as possible to get a higher score. Okay. I apologize for the extra time. I don't know why my description didn't save, but it didn't. Maybe I didn't click a button or something. Okay. There we go. Done. Let's test it. Does it work? Does my entry actually work? Or does it not? I actually have to be ready because this one kind of throws you into it quick. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Take your time. It's loading. It's loading. It's doing its load thing. That's all right. Okay. Okay. All right. Keeping me on the edge here. Okay. All right. I believe in you. I believe in you. You can load. Oh, geez. Did I make... Is it the purling noise? Is it because I added too much Oh, shoot. Go. Oh, shoot. Ah, oh, frick. Oh, no. I forgot to set her velocity to 0. That's okay. It doesn't break the game, so it's fine. As long as it doesn't let you cheat, it doesn't matter. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Go. Get the clocks. Get those clocks. Yes, because if the time runs out, you lose. Oh, I missed a clock. Ah, shoot. Oh, and it just races you to the end. I might fix this after the game jam, all right? We might fix that. It races you to the end, but it's a symbolic race to the end. It's not a real race to the end. Okay, go. Shoot. Shoot. What? Oh, man. Dude, this game is hard. Oh, no, wait. You can collect clocks. There might be a way to... Well, we'll see. Perlin noise is fun. Perlin noise is fun. I got into it. You do have to press refresh to reload the game. It's missing some ideal features, all right? I admit that. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Why is it so hard? I made such a hard game, you guys. I made such a hard game. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Gotta be ready. The timer needs to start when you start. That would make it more fair. What? What? Guys, I made it too hard of a game. I'm gonna spend 10 minutes testing my own game. We're not testing it. We're giving it the glory it deserves because... I did my best. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Get that time. Ah! What? I wonder... Okay, call me trying to act like I'm not... Okay, let me see if I can rephrase that. Maybe Maybe I'm just trying to make it seem like I'm not as bad as I am at my own game, but I think it's like there's like a delay or something. Like it's like harder to get started in the browser than it is in the Godot runtime. I could be wrong. Okay, no. I think I'm wrong. I think I was just trying to make myself feel better for being bad at my own game. The score doesn't go up. Oh no. Okay, so I don't think my finish line is working correctly. It's hard to tell. I'm gonna give it one more good run, but there might be some bugs in my entry. I might have some bugs in my entry. It's very possible. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Well, if nothing else, let me celebrate what I achieved. And that is that visually, it's got something. It's got a visual thing to it. We've added some purlin noise around that looks like something. So that's one thing. I've added colors. We can collect clocks, and the time goes up. The time goes up. That was the original idea, is you get to the end and you collect time. Like that much I have done. You made it to the end, but nothing happened? Yeah, that's... that might be my fault. I think it would have helped. No score increase. And you had some time left? Okay. I will fix my game in the after show. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you head over to patreon.com/hypergamedev and you sign up for free, you will get a free live stream in your email inbox. I do a live stream after every game jam, and it will be sent to your email inbox if you sign up for free on the HyperGameDev Patreon. In that stream that I'm going to do after this, I will fix my game. I will make sure that the score gets calculated correctly, and I'll make sure that you don't just like run off the edge at the end. So that's my promise. All right. Patreon.com/hypergamedev. Join for free is all you got to do. I'll show you how to do it. Look at that. Join for free. Bam. Sign up with your email. All done. All right. That's my entry. I'm proud of myself. I did a lot of things differently. I like actually tried to like get like score and endgame stuff set up first. Did I get it set up great? No, but I did try, and that's worth something. Let's see what you guys tried and what you all achieved. So that way we can celebrate everyone's wonderful glory. Knuckle Blaster feels that they fixed their game. I love to hear it. Dragonblade says 20 minutes wasn't enough. Maybe another time. You only did 20 minutes? Dragonblade, I know. Look, I'm sure you've come through a lot of the live streams during the week, and I sense you're someone who has a lot of pride. And you know what? I respect that. But I want you to know that I would be happy to celebrate what you achieved, which may not be a complete game that you envisioned, but maybe looking at mine, you know, it's okay if it's imperfect. We're here to do our best. I would love to see what you came up with, but no pressure. But I just wanted you to know you're safe here. You're safe here. 20 minutes is definitely not a lot of time if that's all you gave yourself. A 20-minute game jam, I don't know about that. That's rough. All right, y'all. So we have a bunch of entries, a couple in the community tab. Let me make sure I count them so we know how many there are and I don't lose track. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, not including mine. And then 7 entries there, and then we have 2 over here, so that's 9. That's 9 entries, y'all. I love it. If we do 10 minutes each, that's an hour and a half. So we already are at an hour and a half. So we can get in there just under 3 hours. All right. All right. So we're going to try to make sure we do 10 minutes max for everybody. It's just a mechanic. I mean, it'd be interesting to see that mechanic. I'd be interested. I need to make a draft submission. All right. You could always just go to itch, right, and upload the game separately, right? And then you can post the link to that right here in the community. So I'm just saying, in the community tab. Neil, is your game in itch? If it's in itch, it has to wait. But if not, let's check it out right now. Or, sorry, itch, scratch. Apologies. If it's in scratch, it's not in scratch. Let's go. Neil, you're first. Neil is up first. Let's go. Knuckle Blasters is pretty much a draft. It's like a proof of concept. All right. Honestly, I think the 1 hour game jam is a great time to try out ideas, you know, and like practice making a game. Maybe you'll take this idea and build on it later, you know, but because you had this 1 hour jam to practice it, now you can do stuff. Now you can take it further if you want. So that could be kind of cool. All right, so this one is from Neil. This one's from Neil. It's called Changing Time. I think, right? Yes. Save the city from a terrible fire and go back in time to stop the fires. I love it. I love it. There's that move and destroy. Controls, up arrow, change time. Down arrow, change time. Let's go. Let's go. And this one is from Neil. Let's play. Let's do it. Ooh, it's got full screen. Let's go, baby. Oh, I like that intro. Wait, okay, I do want to play your game, but can we just like appreciate this intro page? Look at this. This is glorious. This is beautiful. I love this. All right, here we go. Oh, it's following my cursor. This is awesome. It's moshing. It is moshing. It's 6 a.m. I have water spray. And I need to go back in time to put out a fire. And we use the up arrow to do it. I like the sound effect quite a bit, actually. It's a nice sound effect. So I guess I need to look for the fire. Where's this fire? I will go through all time and space to find this fire. Press E to spray the fire. Ah! Nice. It looks safe. I mean, I'm ready. I'm ready to fight fire, but I think we're in a very safe situation. I think everybody's managing to keep their stoves turned off, and they're making sure their candles are blown out. I think we live in a very safe place. Where's the fire? Where's the fire? The water spray is funny. I like it. If I go the other way in time, I'm pressing up and down. So it's 1 a.m. right now, right? If I press the down arrow, it becomes 6 a.m. If I press the up arrow, it becomes 2 a.m. The game is glitched? You gotta refresh and go to 2 a.m. Okay. Let's do it. Let's find the fire. Sometimes in some versions of the universe, there is no fire. You know? Okay, we're at 2 a.m. Oh, I think I won. It kind of made it look like I win. It like restarted. Let's try it again. Play. 2 a.m. So we may not be able to see the fire, but we know it's there. That's how we first of all, we can travel through time. So obviously we can see fire that isn't there. It's inside of the building. It's just really hard to see, but it's there. And if we press E, okay, well maybe it wasn't today. Everyone here has quantum immortality. That's why no fires are breaking out. Exactly. There is a perfectly logical explanation for why the fire isn't here. We're getting the fire. You just can't tell we're getting it. That's all. But we're getting the fire. We wait at 2 a.m.? Okay. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Fires don't just happen. What kind of psychopath am I? I'm just like, oh, I'm looking for fire. I'm gonna find a fire. Like, that's messed up. I might as well have started the fire. No, we have to be patient and let the fire develop itself. That makes sense. All right, well, let's wait. We're waiting for the fire. Oh! Oh, God! No, 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 no! No, no, no! Oh, that was close. Oh, my God. Oh, jeez. All right. I think we did it. Nice, Neil. Are there more fires? Where we're right next to a river? Well, see, this is connected to the river. You can't see the bottom of it, but it's connected to the river. So that's how it was sudden. Ah! Oh, God! No, 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 no! Please, please! I must save the people! I must save them! Something. There's some. It says something. I think it says I won. Yay? I'm just so, I want to put out the fire so bad. I don't have time to win, all right? Like I said, I'm not a psychopath. I'm not here looking for fire. I'm not here celebrating that I put out a fire. I'm mourning the loss of the people who were endangered by the fire. I'm a very nice person, okay? Players now. Did we do it? It says you win. I win! Nice one, Neil. Honestly, I mean, look, I was very confused about how to find the fires. But, like, once you told me you just have to wait a little, you know, it's like, okay, there it is. You just gotta look around. I wasn't patient enough. That's on me. That's on me. You made a game. You made a game. Like, we can come in here, we can find a fire, it'll come up, we can put it out. I kind of wonder if you can, like, burn the town down. Like, if I'm not patient enough, or if I'm too patient, and I just, like, sit here, and, like, will it burn down? I can't allow that to happen. I refuse to allow that to happen, because I am decent. But, you know, I can't help but be a little curious if you can let it all burn down. You made a game, and I'm proud of you. Meet the pyro. No, 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 not me. That's you. You're the pyro. You can figure it out. You mean it can burn down? Maybe I let you guys try to burn it down. Maybe I let you guys try to burn it down. You can play this game, you guys. You can play this game. Check it out in the description box. Head over to the submission page, and you should be good. Dungeon, welcome. Dungeon says, it broke your game. It works fine on your end. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, you'll have some time to try to figure it out, but, like, you can always do a... Maybe you could post a video and we could check it out later near the end of the stream when I have some better internet to use. Darn. Well, I'll at least save yours for a little bit later if maybe you can get it sorted out. I'm so sorry to hear that. Itch, why are you breaking people's games? Itch. Come on, don't break people's games. They don't deserve that. Killa says, hello. I have finished my entry, but it has very bad art. Sorry about that. Oh, that's okay, Killa. Dungeon... So I don't know if you did this, but when you submit to Itch from Godot, I don't know if you know this, but if I edit, so I'm going to edit mine so that you can see. So I did mine in Godot, and I put it in HTML, right? You have to make sure you click Shared Array Buffer Support. Maybe you did that. Maybe you did do that. But... make sure you check this box in frame options, because if you don't, you'll get an error and it won't work on Itch. That could be it. It could be other things, but that could be it. And then make sure you also save it from Godot as you have it checked. Okay. And it's in compatibility mode. And you made sure to save it like as an index.html. You put it in a zip file and you uploaded it. Okay. Dang. I wonder what happened. I'm so sorry to hear that. If nothing else, you could play the game, upload the video of it to Discord, and we could check it out a little later on in the stream if you want. Sorry that happened. Okay, so who's next? I want to make sure that we are being mindful of time, and also Itch stuff, or Scratch stuff. Scratch has to come last. Let's do Is yours is in Scratch, right, Knuckle Blaster? I think it is. Let's see. It's not. Oh, let's do yours, Knuckle Blaster. It all runs. It's just because the shared array support are experimental, it breaks some features sometimes. Oh no. Dang. Well, I'll make sure we play it with that in mind, and you can tell us like what is supposed to go right in it. And we can play it sooner than later too. All right, here's Knuckle Blaster's submission. Time Guy. It's Time Guy. It's Time Guy. I love it. Ooh, oh wow, and you made it in itch or scratch. I always mix up scratch and itch because they just sound so similar. But you made this in scratch and you managed to get it in here. That's awesome. Thank you. Whoa. Whoa. Did I die? This is kind of awesome. Whoa. S'more tried to make a game where you drop your sandwich and you go back in time to save yourself from dropping it. We only got the dropping sandwich part working. It's hard. It's hard to make good games in an hour. It's not easy. You have to change the time to step on the platforms. Okay. Press Q or E to change time frames. Very bright platforms cannot be stepped on. I missed this whole section. Reminds you of that scary game? Time frame 2, time 25. Oh, right. Did you say you were going to try to make one like mine or something where you collect time? Press Q or E to change, or that was MERP, to change time frames. Very bright platforms cannot be stepped on. Whoa. I just dropped myself into the ground. I just dropped myself into the ground. Okay. So I think I see what we have to do. I have to like jump and... So we have to like cycle. There's three different time frames. Oh, you didn't make it like mine. You made something different. Oh, cool. I see. I gotcha. So like these platforms are here at different times. It's like representative, right? This white area is like, it's not actually here. Yeah, I got you. I like it. So, oh, fudge. So I gotta make sure that it's not the brightest color, and then I can jump on it. Wow. This is hard. This is hard, but the challenge is clear. It's clear what we have to do. I like that. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Good job. Oh, God, because I gotta press it twice. It's hard. It's hard. It's tricky. That's tricky. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Twice. Oh. Tap once? I thought it was twice. Oh. Okay, we made it. We're good. You tap once? I thought it was twice. Oh! Oh! Victory! 13.8 seconds. Let's go. Dude, that's awesome. I love that it like lifts you. That's pretty cool. Now, I know like during the jam, you were having a cheese. Did I cheese? It's not supposed to be that way. I loved it. I thought that was awesome. But I know you had some bugs throughout when you were trying to make it. And I thought maybe that was the way you fixed a bug or something. But it was just cheese. It was actually just cheese. It's a bug? Okay. I think it's kind of cool because it like, I don't know, it saved me. It helped me win. Okay, here we go. Whoop, oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, I don't know. It trips me out, man. It trips me out. So 13.8 seconds. It counts down, right? It counts down. So you want to get as high a number as possible. Oh my God, I pressed the wrong key. I'm going to get good at this, I promise you. The collision makes you go up a step to go onto the top of platforms instead of phasing through. Oh. Tap it. There we go. I don't even have to jump. Do I have to jump on this one? Oh, I don't. Oh, nice. We can just walk over it. Gotcha. Oh, I see. I see. Knuckle, this is great. This is so good. And can we talk about the art? Like, look at your time guy. Look, he's like, I gotta get to time. I gotta get to time. Gotta get to time. Gotta get to time. Gotta get to time. He's so excited. He's so excited. I love the art. Like, I love that he has like this like suit jacket on. It's nice. Like, you made a great little thing here. This is so good. Yeah, and it's fun to play. It's like legitimately fun. Oh, Dragonblade made a post. Let's go. Let's make him bigger. I mean, this is going to be zoomed in bigger, so it's not going to be the bigger that you're probably imagining, but yeah. It's got like, I mean, I don't know, this looks like patches on his suit or something. I'm glad, thank you for figuring it out for us, Dragonblade. I'm sure we can learn something from it. Look at these pants. It's just like a nice outfit. Like, he's looking sharp. He's sharp dressed. All right, we're gonna try to get a better time. I don't even know what I think 13.8 is the best time I had. That's okay, DNF. Thank you for the thumbs up. I appreciate it. And by the way, if you guys are watching this right now, I mean, just take a look at how many people are here and then take a look at the likes. And, you know, maybe you could consider increasing that like button number a little bit. Maybe we could get those likes up a little bit. I would really help the stream. More people will see it. More people will come here later. I'd really appreciate it, and I think everybody's games will appreciate it too. So make sure you hyper smash that thumbs up button. It would really be helpful. 17 likes, DNF says. I think we could get that number a little higher. I just have a feeling we could get that a little higher. All right. So, I'm going to play it one more time. I'm going to play it one more time. I think 13.8 was my best time that I remember getting. 22.2! Nice! Nice! Nice, nice, nice! Nice! Nice. I'm gonna play it one more time. Here we go. Aw, shoot. Okay, I'm actually bad at this. There's no reason to play it one more time other than I just want to get a better score. Here we go. Boom. 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 Yes, 22.1, not a better score. I think 22.2 is my best. What can you guys get? Check out the link in the description to find games just like this. This one is Time Guy. I'm gonna keep moving on. Well done, Knuckle Blaster. You did it. You did it. Who's next? Who is next? Let's check out Pierogigons. Let's do Pierogigons next. Pierogigon made, it's called February 2nd. All right, February 2nd, that is today. That is what today is. Very true. I think the instructions are going to be in the game itself. So let's just load it up and see what we got. This is Pierogigon's submission. We don't yet know what it's called. We don't know what it's about. But we're going to find out. In the meantime, let me get rid of the itch toolbar. Set the time on the clock by clicking your mouse. Those math people are telling you the time, though, and they are not being efficient. You got lost in working on it. Fun to see how far you can get remaking this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Math people are telling you the time, and they are not being efficient. Set the time on the clock by clicking your mouse. What the flip-flop? Oh, it's not supposed to look like this. Let me zoom in. There we go. That's a little better. Score doesn't work. Okay. Hour 120, minute 120. Whoa. What does that mean? Wait. That means something I understand. I can figure out what that means. Like, yeah, but I kind of fixed it. 120. Wait, what is that? Like 60 is an hour. 120 is 2 hours. So is it 2? It's basically unit circle game. Wait, this is unit circle game? So that's something Pierogigon made somewhere in another world. Okay. Wait. 60, 330. So you're saying it's at 60 degrees? So it's 60 degrees. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. So the minute needs to be at 3:30. Oh, this is hard. Okay. Oh, Rogie. Okay, so 3:30. Oh, for flip's sake. Oh my god. 60 degrees. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so hard and the score doesn't work. Oh gosh. Wow. So for context, Pierogigon has made a game where you guess angles, or you are given angle numbers and a circle, and you have to click where on the circle that angle is at. So like 330 degrees would be at a certain angle, right? And you click on it. So let's say this is, if it was 90 degrees, right? That'd be what, here or whatever? This would be 180 degrees. This would be 180 plus 180. You know what I'm saying? It'd be 270, like right here. Right? So 90. So minute, the hour's at 60. Oh gosh, I don't remember how to do this. I don't remember how to do this. Minute 90, and it's all off, so like, how do I know it's correct? Oh god. And so that's what this is supposed to be. Look, I don't know how to play this right now, Rogie. I don't know how to play this, but I'll tell you what. I am extremely impressed that you have this clock hand moving around as it is, right? That we can actually click on the different hands. And I'm actually not dragging it. I just like click one time. Let me pull up my keyboard. There we go. So if I click one time on this and I move around, it follows. If I click on again, it'll grab this one. So it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. Actually, it like cues it up. Oh. So I can click anywhere, and it'll just do one after the other. Gotcha, okay. But it's nice, though, because that feels very intuitive, and it's nice to move it around. So, Rogie, if the score doesn't work, is there any possible way that I can tell if I get it right? Would be my question. Is there a way for me to know that I got it right? The score doesn't work, but will it inform me if I do it correctly? Would be my question. 210. You got a nice timer going here. These numbers randomly come in here and they're all the right angles. You can tell me? You can tell me. Okay. All right. It doesn't even know if it's right. Okay. Oh gosh. 210 degrees. Where's 210 degrees? Our score was 0. Where's 200? Okay, hour 90. So this would be 90. I'm going to point it up and down as if 12 was in the right place. Minute 330. That's like right here, I want to say. No, right here. Oh, shoot. It's resetting it. There. Did I do it? Did I do it? Am I right? Tell me. Am I right? But like, you would have to know the time. So you'd have to tell me if I did it in a fast amount of time. I think I did it. I think that hour is at 90. And I think that minute is at 330 degrees. You have to tell me though. I'm correct. I win. All right, let's do another. Let's do another. Do you guys kind of get it? I know it's a little confusing because of the clock numbers, but it's supposed to be that you're setting different angles. I love that you tried to make this because I know this is something that you have made in other engines, and I'm glad even in only an hour you managed to put like something like it together. So 90, 180, 270. So probably here's 240. Did I do it? You got really far into score detection after the time for the jam was up. Nice. Nice. We could have given you more time. We could have given you more time. Did I win? Tell me I won. So I think I did this, right? So like 90 degrees straight up and down. 240, because this is... I'm correct? Yes, let's go. All right, let's do one more. Let's do one more. I love that, like, you're in here when we're playing right now. You're at 2:30 in the live stream? Okay. 2 hours, 30 minutes. You're in the future? You're in the future of this live stream? That's amazing. That's actually scary. 150. Okay, so this is 90. This is 180. So 150 is probably here. And then 270 is right there. Oh, did I do it? Did I do it? Approximately? Have I approximately done it? Oh, Knuckle Blaster needs help? You're stuck in the future and you need help? Can anyone teleport to the future and help Knuckle Blaster, please? Please, guys. Dude, it's an awesome game. It's such a great game idea that you would be like guessing angles, and it teaches you as well. Knuckle Blaster took the game topic to real life. I'm afraid for them. I'm afraid for them. Like, we weren't supposed to do it for real. Dragon Blade will get there the slow way. So don't worry. Just hold out for another 40 minutes, all right? Pierogi, I don't know if I got that last one right, but we're going to assume I did. I didn't hear from Pierogi. I think Pierogi also got stuck in a different time. But I think I did it correctly. Yeah, it's a really creative game, and I'm impressed that Rogi was able to put that like hand adjusting mechanic together. All right. So, Dragon Blade might be asleep by then? Well, we might want to check out Dragon Blades then. Now, Dragon Blade isn't a full game. Dragon Blades is a little bit. You started looking at code? You're addicted to coding. You can't stop. You can't stop coding. What are you gonna do? Stop coding? All right, let's see what Dragon Blade did so Dragon Blade can go to bed. Was too lazy to make a draft submission and started 40 minutes in, so 20 minutes. This isn't going to be a full game. This is just showing us a little bit of what this community can do in only 20 minutes. So it's not a full game. It's just a little mechanic that Dragon Blade put together. Dragon Blade's first entry to this jam, which is very exciting. Controls left, right arrow, space to jump, F to rewind. If you guys want to check this out, it's a community post. Link is in the description to this jam. It's a community post. Let's see what time-changing mechanic is like. I think I remember the controls. Do I remember the controls? I might have forgotten them already. Left, right, arrow, space to jump, F to rewind. This is peak Godot icon. All right. Nice. Nice. And then we can... Whoa! Okay, you guys cannot appreciate how cool this is. Hold on. Wait a minute. What? Okay. Wow. Okay. Let me show you how cool this is, guys. What on earth am I doing? Okay, check this out. So here's my keyboard, all right? That's my keyboard. It's real. So I'm going to type a bunch of letters up here. You see? It's my keyboard. Now I'm not typing anything. Nothing is being typed. So you see how this works, right? All right. Now check this out. Okay. I'm going to move left, right, jump, right, left, jump. Okay? You saw me press the keyboard. I'm not pressing it, except I'm going to press the F key. Watch this. Right? Right? Wait, hold on. We have to hold the F key. There it goes. Hold the F key. Right? Wait. Oh no, I demoed it bad. Wait. Wait, no, this is really cool. Hold on. Let me try it again. Wait. No, it works. It works. Hold on. I'm gonna try it again. All right. Watch the keyboard. I'm gonna move around. Left, right, jump, left, right, jump. Okay, here we go. F key. It only records the last 3 seconds. Oh, or 10, I forgot. Okay, let me try it again. Guys, I swear this is the coolest thing I've ever done in my life. Okay. So you can't actually see my arrow keys being pressed, So we'll just do some spacebar stuff. Now it's all right on loop. I want to show you guys how cool this is. There we go. There we go. There it is. Ah! It's hard to make work right, okay? Cut me some slack. It's hard to get right, but it's really cool. Okay, let me try it again. See if I can do it again. So you can't see my left, right. Unfortunately, this keyboard doesn't have arrow keys, but you can see my jumps. Okay, this keyboard is useless. You guys aren't getting any help from this. We're gonna have to zoom in. I just realized the arrow keys aren't in there, so this is useless. Okay, we're gonna try it again. We're gonna do our best to show the glory that is this creation. Okay. Do. Oh, I died. That was my fault. Let me try to not die. Dude, would it record the dying? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You can only go back a few seconds, which makes sense. We all know time travel is expensive. Yes. Dude, it totally works. And of course you guys can try this, but I want to try to show it off the best I can. Okay, here we go. I'm pressing keys. I'm pressing keys. I'm pressing keys. I'm trying. I'm trying. Okay, I'm pressing keys. I'm pressing keys. F. Why am I not doing it right? What am I doing wrong? Press, press, press. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Hey! Hey! There it is. We have to hold F. I wasn't holding F enough. I wasn't doing enough holding. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna get a good test that like demonstrates how freaking amazing this is. Dragon Blade, I can't believe you might have hid this from us. Okay, here we go. I'm pressing the arrow keys. I'm pressing the arrow keys. Now I'm gonna hold F. There we go. Nice. Let's go. Dude, that's so cool. That's so cool. Right, left. Okay, left, 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 jump. Left, 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 jump. Right, 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 jump. Right, 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 jump. Okay, now I'm gonna press the F key. Only the F key. Hey, there it goes. Nice. Yes, jump off and hold F. Okay, I will. I will. I'm gonna do it. That is so cool. How did you do this? This is amazing. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Like, if you just, like, record the key presses and then play them back. I barely know how you did this. But you did it in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes! You made this happen. That's just the F key. That's just the F key. Okay, let's try jumping off, because that does sound awesome. All right, here we go. Goodbye! Goodbye! All right, F key. Only the F key. Nothing else. Oh! Awesome! I love it. That is so good. You can save yourself from dying. This is one of the best interpretations I could have imagined for this game jam. All right, only pressing the F key, and we're gonna go back. We're gonna go right back on there. Ah! Gosh, that's so impressive. That's so impressive that you made this. Awesome, awesome work. Amazing. Thank you for sharing it with us. I'm so glad that we got you to share it with us, because this is peak creativity. Again, guys, if you head to the links in the description, you can find your way to this game jam. It is a community post with its own special itch page. Definitely deserving of being chronicled forever and then being rewound and played again. Just saying. All right, all right. What's next? Oh, this list looks bigger than it did before. I like that. I think we got a My 2 Cents submission and we didn't have before. Look at that. Look at that. So I don't know who wants to go next. Obviously, we got to save the scratch ones for last. Forever. Yeah, forever. Yeah, forever. Absolutely. What, you didn't realize that this was forever? Dungeon Martin is working, or Dungeon Martians is working. Let's try Dungeon Martian. Gosh, that's so, 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 gosh, that's so. Did you guys just feel that, or is that just me? My 2 cents? Okay, let's do yours next then. I didn't, Dungeon, I'm not sure to interpret if you were asking to play next or you were just letting us know. But since my 2 cents actually offered to go next, let's do my 2 cents next. Changes time to temporary. Oh yeah, you could do that. Yeah, you could do that if you want to do that. But then what about all the people who watch this after the live stream? Hello, people who watch us after the live stream. This is the most watched live stream on this channel. And do you know when those views come? After the live stream. You wouldn't want to do that to them. At least give it long enough for them. Give it 3 weeks. Then I'll unlist it and it won't matter anymore. Okay. My 2 cents. Rewind. Wait, we have another rewind mechanic? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Maybe it's just called rewind. It's just called rewind. WASD to move, mouse to aim, left mouse button to shoot, R to rewind your position to where you were 6 seconds ago. No! We have 2 rewinding games? What? What? Okay, you know what? Let's just check it out. Why am I surprised anymore? Why am I surprised that brilliant, brilliant, amazing, beautiful people are here? Like, that has been consistently shown. Why would that be any different today? I don't know. I don't know. Let me get rid of the itch bar here. Dude, I can't believe we're going to have another rewinding entry. Like, I would be so afraid to even attempt that. You guys are like, no, rewind. We're going to do rewinding. I'm not even going to bother clicking on options because I know that it's not going to do anything. Whoa. Whoa. This is already better because it has a main menu. Get away from me. What the? What the what? Knuckle Blaster is, you fixed your time machine. Good. You're at 2 hours and 1 minute now. Good. This is good. This is bright. It's very bright. And you know what? We all needed to wake up. Get out of my face. 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 Hey, what's up, Davi? How you doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. So wait, what was the... Oh my gosh. I'm being overwhelmed. I'm being attacked. I love everything I'm seeing so far. Right, or R to rewind your position. I'm gonna need to because I'm getting overwhelmed very quickly. Oh, look, there's, oh shoot, look. Hey! Oh, cool. So what this one does is it remembers where you were at. I wonder if that position updates. I like this. This is convenient. You can like create sort of like a teleport point. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Huh. Okay, this helps a lot. Are they gonna actually die? Get out of my face! Get out of my face. And I'm guessing... Get out of my face. Oh, my point changed. Bye, Davi. Score 1. I only got 1? These guys must be hard to kill. 25 seconds. So, it updates. Get out of my face. Oh, there's health up here. Oh, did you see that health just, like, rocket down? So the health isn't there, but then as soon as you start taking damage, it just, like, zaps down so fast. Oh! Wow. They do die. Okay. All right. We got to get more than 1 point. That's our goal. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Oh, they even kind of react. So I need to make sure this is like a very serious game. This is like a whole serious game. This is like an entirely serious game. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is such a serious game. Oh my gosh. 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 I don't know if I've killed any. Oh gosh. No, I didn't. Because you have to, like, I kind of have to make sure I draw them away from the, dude, it's a lot of fun. And it's like, I have to be very thoughtful. I got to make sure I keep them away from, oh yeah, get stuck on the block, losers. Oh, dude, they have a lot of health. They have a lot of health, man. Oh, I got one. I killed one. I saw one disappear. Whether that's going to net me more than 1 point, I don't know. 2! I got a score of 2, baby. I'm so excited I got 2 points. There's a lot of skill involved in this. Can you bait them off the platform? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. And if I do... Oh! Wait. Oh, but I can teleport! Oh, my 2 cents thought of that! Dang! Oh! Rogi fixed the game to have a score. You don't know why it was stretchy. Yeah, I don't know why it was stretchy either. It might be the way you're using control nodes. Yeah, is that what Sonic? That sounds like something Sonic would say. Actually, that actually does sound like something Sonic would say. So we can't run them off the edge. I'm very impressed that we can't run them off the edge. Okay, we have to, but it's tough because, like, if I teleport, like, I'm definitely not gonna come back and find the same enemy that I was fighting before. You know, what are the chances that I actually, because there's so many of them, that I'm gonna be able to work on that same enemy. So it's like, I really need to find out how much health they have. You know? I have to find out how much health they have. So I'm just gonna focus on that for this run. 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. It's hard to tell if I hit them. Okay, I'm just gonna die. Start over. This game has me thinking serious thoughts. Like very. Oh, that was fast. That one died quickly. You can only teleport 3 times, by the way. Oh, well, that's important information. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 0. Oh, you can get a 0 score. Apparently, I've killed some and I didn't even realize it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. How much health do they have? It's very hard to hit them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What is... Okay, I killed one. I did kill... It's kind of hard because they probably, like, replace each other. Okay, that was, like, 3 hits. I feel like they have, like, 3 HP, approximately. Oh, I got, like, 3 of them that time. Oh, I got 4 of them! Let's go! So I'm not sure what is my best approach, especially since I can't really see the health. I have no idea how much health. I got 5? I got a score of 5 that time? Okay, so clearly it's very important. There's no way I killed 5 of them. So I don't know if we have to kill them. It might just be we have to get a certain number of hits in on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know. I can't keep count. 5. I'm getting a lot of 5. So I think I just have to be better about my aiming. And I think if we focus on aiming and surviving, we can win this. Yes, it's very much survival. It's very much survival. The health is incredibly difficult to see. So maybe I should get out of the way. It's 5 seconds or something. No, so the health, oh, the chat is blocking it. Okay, get the chat out of the way. Same game as last week, but different. Yeah, so it's a little different because last week it's actually very different. It's completely different. It has the same map, but the gameplay feels totally different. Hey Tincho, what's up? You should also keep holding left mouse button. There's no reload mechanic, so there's no penalty for holding it. Oh, didn't know that. Didn't know that. That's good news to me. That is excellent news. So you see the health up there? It's very tiny. It's where my mouse is, right here. You see? It's up there. Can I get more than 5? Same camera movement. So I'm just going to make sure the health is visible here. Yes, it's at 6 p.m. Eastern, Tincho, every Friday. Teleport. So I got to make sure my health isn't gone yet. Once I see my health start to go down, teleport. Oh, shoot. Oh, I can't see my health. 18! Yes! Dude, this game is awesome. Now look, I gotta stop playing soon so we can have time to play everybody else's game. Dang, I gotta save my 2 cents games for last. No, I'm just saying I won't really because that's not necessarily fair, but you make some very addictive games very quickly. You know that? I just like so immediately want to get, I want to get 24. That's a good hustle. What's your guys' score? What's your guys' scores? Leave them as comments to this video. Leave them as comments to this video. Tell me in the chat. Leave comments on this game. 25? Okay, now it's just broken. There's no way I got 25 that time. Wait, really? I'm just gonna not shoot anything. There's no way I got 25. Okay, it's broken. Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. It's actually broken. We have to refresh it. You do have to... Let me see if I do main menu. Maybe that'll reload it. So the score doesn't actually change. It's still 25. I don't know what my high score is. I don't even know what my high score is. That's okay. So maybe wait until my 2 cents fixes that to post your scores. Okay, we're gonna do a fresh game. I want to know how good I am. I want to know how good I am at this very good game. Henry got 25 too. Apparently, we all can get 25. I want to. I mean, clearly you've played with much determination. Okay, I got 11 in certainly one run. In certainly one run, I got 11. I'm gonna play one more time. This is addictive. How am I supposed to stop playing this game? Oh my gosh. This is so fun. I haven't gotten hurt yet. Haven't gotten hurt yet. We're running them down. Teleport. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. Get him away from the teleport. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh. It's so hard with a trackpad. It's so hard with a trackpad. Okay. Because I have to aim and press with the same button. It's chaos. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. This is genuinely extremely fun. Okay, I need to get to a place where I can see my health. 250. Run him down. Teleport! Oh, 10 HP. Okay, just go, do as many as you can. Do as many as you can. You're gonna die. 18! Did I refresh it? Guys, did I forget to refresh it? I don't remember if I forgot to refresh it. So I have to play one more game. I have to play one more game. I have to prove to myself. Oh, gosh. Can you get to the other end of the slope, and do you win then? I have no idea. I don't think I would make it. I think I would die. You should try it. You should try it. I think that would be very hard. I think that would be very, 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 very hard. Would be my guess. Oh, this is not a good run. This is not a good run. Okay. Keep going, keep going. Mowing them down. Keep an eye on the health. Teleport. Uh-oh. Make sure you're hitting them. Hitting them, hitting them, hitting them. Oh, gosh. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Teleport. Oh, gosh. 10 HP. Ooh, 10 HP. 17! You fixed the score, you think? Well, I think 18 is my best score. So my 2 cents says the score should be fixed. Guys, you have to try this game. This game is super fun. I love that you've made units that spawn in and that move around and follow the player. I love that they take damage, they have health. You've got like a projectile that you can run into them and actually get them to die. You've got health on the player that counts down. You've got a score that works and maybe resets between games. Like, this is amazing. It's stunning. Oh, by the way, you can teleport back to an old position that you were at. Like, this actually is a good run. Hold on, I'm actually doing a good job right now. I actually need to keep playing because this is going really... Oh, I died. 14. Yes, I think it reset. I think it reset. Amazing, amazing entry. Dark Rosa got 26 in a legit run that didn't build up. Dang, nice. I used so much code that I wrote previously. That's okay. I mean, it's important that you point that out, but that's okay. That's all right. So much of professional hobby and whatever game development is about reusing things. I mean, what's the difference between copying, pasting something and like remembering it in your brain? One is too hard and one is very doable. Knuckle Blaster, I'm not even gonna read that. Buddy. They're for dogs. That said, they could taste better. They could taste better. All right, let's go back to the submissions, y'all. Amazing entry. We spent way too much time on that one. It was hard. It was hard. It was hard to not spend time on that. You legitimately sucked me in, my 2 cents. Let's do Dungeon Martians next. It's called Loop, a short wander around an island destined to end. Ooh. Ominous. I like that. Curiosity killed the cat. Don't hate me because I'm curious. I won't. I would never hate you. All right. Just be careful what you eat. Just be careful. All right. That's all I'm saying. This is from Dungeon Martian. It's called Loop. It may work, and if it doesn't work, it's not their fault. It's Itch's fault. All right. Ooh. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. We've got a countdown timer. I love the art. The pixel art is so nice. You guys can see that character, right? Let me make sure you can see that character. I'm running out of time, and I'm making a terrible mistake, and I apologize for ruining my game. But I just wanted to show you this awesome art. Look at that. Like, that is a hairstyle. Like, there's even, like, a little break in the middle, and then it's, like, kind of flips out. Like, this looks like a person. This is a nice design. I don't know what I'm doing, but I like doing it. I also love the non-grid pixel thing. Wait, Pierogigon and Dark Rosen got some good scores. Oh, there's a house! Did I win? Did I make it? Rogi, you got 38 on that last game. Isn't it a fun game? Oh, wait, I think I won, right? Wait, it's different. Wait, is it different? Or is it just looping around? So you guys are still playing my 2 cents game because you know how fun it is. 50 plus is possible. I'll tell you what, if there's time at the end of the stream, and I'll tell you what, in the newsletter stream, I'll play the game somewhere. I've got the newsletter stream cut out for me. I'm going to be working on my own old game, and get to the house, go in the house. And we're going to play some my 2 cents. Go in! Go in! Go in! Now, it could be buggy. It's destined to end. I think we have to, aren't the assets awesome for this one, Henry? Reminds me of the game Toe Jam and Earl. Dude, did you know Toe Jam and Earl has like roguelike aspects? I played that game when I was like a child. But I haven't played it since then. And now that I know that it has roguelike aspects, I'm like, I kind of want to play it. So I think we have to make our own game on this one. I don't know if it's because of what Dungeon Martian said. If it's what Dungeon Martian said, that it doesn't work right uploaded to itch, or if this is the entire game. But I like it. However, everything should be working now. Let's go. So I think it wasn't restarting earlier. Oh, okay, nice. Gotcha. Let's go. I love this. Dude, it's so dramatic. I love that it like fades to white. This is like beautiful. This game is beautiful. Like it reminds me of like, I don't know, I want to say like having like Alzheimer's or something. Like it feels like it has like a message about memories and replaying a memory, and you only have so much time to like experience that memory or something. It's very cool, right? You know, everything doesn't have to be competitive. But I did get to the house in 22 seconds. I did get to the... I'm not saying everything has to be competitive. Dungeon Martian may very specifically have not wanted this to be competitive. So I'm not saying that this is competitive. Games do not have to be competitive. All right? But I just want to say, I made it to the house in 22 seconds. Look at that. And the house like stays there. Just going with the Alzheimer's thing, right? Like, can you see the trees and the house in the same run? Oh, that makes me want to compete. Okay, I see the trees. I love it. I love it. I wonder if the trees are like the house, because I like how when it fades to white, the house stays visible. I wonder if the trees stay visible too when it fades to white. Because again, with that like that Alzheimer's allegory that I'm very committed to making, it's like you can remember this just disjointed thing, the house, but you don't necessarily remember how to get there, even though you do remember because you used to do it all the time or something. I don't know. It's very cool. It's just like very, very, very cool. I think I made it. I saw them both. I saw them both. Yes, it was a bonus quest. I will take that bonus quest. Okay, I'm going to do it one more again, except this time I'm going to try to see the house first and then the trees. I know that's not possible. There's no way that's possible. It just can't be. There's no way. How is that going to work, Lise? I don't know, but I'm going to try. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You have to do the trees first. Because it takes 30... Oh, no. Because it takes 30 seconds to get from the starting point. And it's going to be like at least 10 extra seconds to get down to the trees. You have to take a shortcut after seeing the house. Is there a shortcut, though? The water is... Otherwise, it's impossible, I think. I think it is impossible. Oh! Go, 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 go! Oh, it's the trees stay! The trees stay! I love it. This is a cool game. I love it. I love that it's like an experience. I love that it's like an experience. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful game. This is a beautiful game. It's lovely. Legendary. I have achieved legendary status. Can you achieve legendary status? Get to the house faster than me and or see them both faster than me. It is simple and cute. Exactly. Couldn't agree more. Couldn't agree more. Would love to know how other people's experience of this goes and what their thoughts are, because this is a really beautiful game to me. And thank you for sharing it. Thank you for sharing it. Like, you've done an amazing job here. Dungeon Martian, y'all. Welcome to the 1 hour Hyper Game Jam. Thank you. Should I try one more run? I don't know. Probably not. In the interest of time, I probably shouldn't. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tag the tree. Oops. I'm gonna tag a tree. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna try to do it as quickly as possible. I can't stop. What's wrong with me? Why can't I just stop and move on to the next game? Much love right back at you, Dungeon. Much love right back at you. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Cutting corners. I think if you really cut corners and you also don't bump into the water, dude, what if I get 22 seconds? I was able to see both and the other at my old score. Okay, maybe not quite, but pretty close. Tag the tree, tag the house in 15 seconds. Champion. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful work. Changing time. Gotta see that fade out. I gotta see that fade out again. Amazing stuff. Thank you. Thank you for submitting it. I appreciate it. What else do we got? Who else do we got here? Let's see, we've got... this is a clock as well. Dude, such a great job. This is a clock as well. Niels. We did Niels already. Let's do Killis next, so I don't miss Killis. Do Merps. Merps is Scratch, right? Merp gets to go last. You know, Merp doesn't deserve that. I just have to make sure I switch my internet, because the stream is going to glitch out otherwise. That's why I have to save it for last, unfortunately. That has to be one of our last ones. Burning Town. This is from Killa. Oh my gosh. Now, Killa, you said that the art was bad. You said the art was bad. There is deeply, completely nothing but good here. Look at this mischievous old man. Look at that. And look at this person. I could see maybe how you feel that the fire isn't like high quality fire, but I mean, look, you're making that spray paint tool work hard right now. Somebody's got to do it. That's some nice representative fire up there. Person looking up like that, oh no meme. So much. Dude, this art is everything. It's so good. It's so good. It's you. On a stream. I love it. This looks fantastic so far. The evil wizard. The evil wizard has burned the town and now wants to destroy everything else. Help the little boy Tony go back in time to save the town from burning. Use mouse left button. use mouse. I'm bussin' to use the left mouse button to click on white squares and move Tony there. Make sure to collect enough clocks. Let's go. I like how it's an evil wizard. I love that it's an evil wizard. There's not enough evil wizards out there that just look like regular wizards. Most wizards are evil. Prove me wrong. Okay. Left mouse button to click on white squares and move Tony there. Make sure to collect clocks. Got it. All right, we gotta put this evil wizard's bad stuff to rest. We gotta end. What? Whoa! Oh! Killa, we're not forgetting you. This is amazing. Burning Town. Wizards when one of them isn't a scholar gone mad with the knowledge of the universe. Yeah. No, I refuse to forget you ever again, Killa. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Collect enough clocks. Move, click on white squares. So they're all white squares, even if they have... So the flashing is telling me to go there. Oh, the... Okay, so the fire hurts me. The fire hurts me. It appears... Dude, I love this. Now I just gotta figure out what to do. So I guess we're just surviving. Oh, it's a survival game. Oh, I thought we had to like kill him. We have to just like... This is amazing. Wait, this is a really cool game. Oh! We have to collect clocks. And I have to avoid fire. So don't step on fire. And make sure we step on clocks. Give me that clock. Oh, shoot! No! I got hurt. Okay, it's fine. Dude, the fire is beautiful. I completely understand why you say the art is bad, but I completely disagree that it's bad. I completely... Oh, did I die? Ah! So if you collect clocks, time passes, and he runs out of mana, maybe. Then you can whack him. Okay. So we have to make sure we get all these clocks. Dude, this art is amazing. But like, I see what you're saying. Like, you maybe were like gray boxing a little bit with these like, these shadows, these like silhouettes of shapes. Look at the fire. It's like transfixing. The characters that you designed, the wizard and Tony, look so cool. They look so good. Yeah, it's very stylized. The fire is beautiful. It's beautiful. And it's very scary. Like the house like in the background, that's like very scary. I'm like afraid for these people's lives. This is officially one of the scariest games that we've ever had in this game jam, as far as I'm concerned. I just feel like it got so serious in here. Huh. Don't you burn me. Okay, we got to get all these clocks. It's a scary game. I feel like I have to take it. I can't like be silly. We have to take it really seriously. Spooktober at its best. Spookbuary. It's Spookbuary. Oh, shoot. Oh, I got hit. Oh, it's getting faster. Guys, it's getting harder. I can't even keep up with chat, because if I look away, I'm going to lose. I can't keep up with chat. I'm sorry. But, like, it's getting faster. Oh, my gosh. Hey! I have won! By traveling back in time, I saved the village from burning! Yes! Let's go! My people will live to see another day! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh. That was intense. Dude, that is fun. That is very fun. Merp and Knuckle, what are you guys even doing? Oh my gosh. That was harrowing. That was so harrowing. The ending is much less violent than what I imagined. Yeah, you were imagining whacking the wizard. Wow. That is, and it's epic. It's like epic. Yeah. You can. We can defeat him. Wow. Wow. That was such a cool game. I want to play it again. I'm sorry. I want to play it again. I just, maybe I shouldn't, but I want to. I love so much how it gets harder, and that you have these random squares popping up. It's just, it's such a specific gameplay mechanic where you have to make sure you keep moving and get out of the way. And at first, it kind of tricks you. It's like, this is easy. You can do, I mean, I did just get hurt. But it's like, this isn't bad. You can just move out of the way. Easy to learn, difficult to master, because it gets hard as it starts getting faster and you collect more clocks. And it's like, oh wait, this actually isn't so easy. Because you can just click on where to go. It's not like the distance in between you get hurt. But it's tricky when it gets fast. It's, oh my god, I have 1 HP. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Stop. Oh. Okay, alright, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. No! Oh. Okay. Get the clock, get out of the way. Where is it gonna pop up? No! Okay. It's fine. Oh my gosh, and you don't know when it's gonna come up underneath you. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. No! Okay, alright. Get that. I win! Oh! Woo! What a rush! What a rush! Something I noticed about your games, Killa, I don't think you've ever made a game. I don't think you've ever made a game for this jam that I've been able to, like, speedrun effectively. And I love that. Because that's not what your games are about. Your games aren't about, like, I don't know, what most of us think of when we make games, it seems. I can't explain it, but your games are like these very specific experiences where you have to achieve the goal within the time that's already set. And I want to make more games like that. I think that's a really cool way to make games. And this was extremely exciting to play. Wow. I love that you jumped on your seat multiple times. I mean, oh my gosh. Like, it was so... Oh my gosh. It was so scary because it just... You guys have to try this game. You can try this game. As you know, the link is in the description to this itch.io jam. This one is called Save a Village, or Burning Town. It's called Burning Town by Killa. Wow. It is so exciting to play. Very impressed by this. You did awesome work. Dark Rosen updated their itch profile while watching. I love that. Get your itch set up. It's a really valuable website for game developers. Update it. I did it! I did it! Really, really good one. It's just being goofy and having fun. I hope that is a good thing. A very good thing. Extremely good thing. Because I was just so invested. I was literally on the edge of my seat. I've never more literally been on the edge of my seat than playing this game. I mean, maybe ever, but you know what I mean. Awesome work. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you sharing this with us. This is a gem. This is a gem. I also love... I love that you put an image before the game. It really, like, got me amped, and it, like, created more of the overall experience, which is very nice. This is just a great entry. Awesome work, Killa. Merps is on Scratch, which means I have to save it for last, and I apologize for that, but we do have to save it for last. You know that, Knuckle Blaster. If you ask again. Okay. Let's do Nova Vertigos. Hi. Oh, my cat wants to join the stream. You want to join the stream? We gotta play these games. Come on up here. You want to come up here? Come here, buddy. It's all right. Travi has entered the chat. Oh, this is you, Henry? Let's go. I love you, Travi. He's a very needy boy. He's a very needy boy. Show us Lecato. Yes, the cat is determined to be a part of the stream. It seems very consistent around this time, actually, that he would join in. Let me make sure we can appreciate his fabulousness. Yeah. Oh, you want to get on the keyboard? You can't, buddy. You want to play Henry's game? You want to play Henry's game? Do you know how to play games, buddy? Do you know how to play games? Do you? He doesn't. Don't listen to him. You have 3 cats with you? Let him play the games? I don't know, guys. I don't know, guys. I think he's pretending. Oh! He says, please, please cuddle with me. All right. So this is Henry's game. It is called Changing Time. Wow! Look at that logo! Let's go! Let him play games. Let him play games. Hi, buddy. Yes, you're a very sweet boy. Dude, this is a nice version of the logo. Dude, it's from the live stream. Wait, where did you even get this version of the logo from? This is very nice. This is very nice. Oh, we got some... Oh! Okay, glitchies. We have stream glitchies. I see the stream glitches. You know why this is happening, right? It's because Henry has made a game that's too powerful. So you know what? We might be playing Merp's game sooner than later, everybody. All right, let's rip this Band-Aid off quick. Let's rip this Band-Aid off quick, all right? Here's what's gonna happen, okay? You guys ready for this? Are you guys even ready for what's about to happen? I am going to switch the internets. I have 2 different internets, all right? Hi, I'm up here. I have 2 different internets. I have one internet that we're on, and it has problems. I have a second internet which doesn't have problems, probably. I'm gonna take a second to switch between those. You guys might have to refresh the live stream. Oh, wait, it's balancing back out. We might be okay. Hold on. We might be okay. Let's hold off. I was hoping to save this for later. I was hoping to save it. Yeah, it's totally my internet. Let's see if we can save this. Wait up. Maybe I should do it now. Maybe we should just get it over with. I'm just going to rip off the Band-Aid. We're going to do this now. All right, here's the thing. You might have to refresh the live stream, guys. Those of you who are watching this live, if you're watching this after the live stream, don't worry. It's just going to skip. It'll be fine. All right? You might have to refresh the live stream, but you might not have to. Are you guys ready? Here we go. We're going to do this. It'll be okay. Are we back yet? Are we back yet? Is it all fixed? Is it all fixed? Is it all fixed? Is it all fixed? Have we made it back? You may have to refresh your browser. You may have to refresh your video, the live stream, whatever it is that is your experience. All right? Rogi says, you only lost 5 frames. Let's go. You might have to refresh. You might not. You might not have to refresh. I think we made it. You could honestly say nothing and you wouldn't know. Are you serious? I don't even have to like put a big old thing up on screen and say all this? Okay, so I think we're good. I think we can keep moving as if nothing happened. I have terrible internet, but it's okay. All right, guys, let's get back to the game. Let's get back to the game. This is Henry's game, Changing Time. Yeah, I should still say it, because sometimes people have to refresh. Good point. Let the cat play. Let the cat play a game. Oh, man. I don't know. We'll see. All right, here we go. Henry's game. Very nice intro screen. Very nice. Let him play. Let him play. Okay. You step into the shoes of a novice time traveler who stumbles upon a leap device. Your mission? To restore the fractured timeline by collecting lost artifacts scattered across various historical periods. Each leap you take takes you to a different era, from ancient civilizations to distant futures. What? What? Dude, this game sounds amazing. Whoa. Objective, find the leap device. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the itch stuff on the sides because it is just killing my vibe. So we're gonna get rid of that so we can appreciate this amazing creation here. Okay, my guess is, hey buddy, I love you, but you're getting in my way. I love you. Come here. Come here. I'm trying to play Henry's game. I want to play Henry's game. Okay? So just know that I love you. But also know that you have to go. Okay? Goodbye. Mwah. Alright. I'm sorry. I had to get him out of here. I had to get him out of here. I had to. Alright? I know, kitty cat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Back to it. Yeet the cat out the window. Oh my gosh. So my guess is that this is our leap device. If I was to just hazard a guess, our leap device would be right here. Correct me if I'm wrong, though. Ooh, we got sound effects. We need a banner for cat time. No games can be played. Games shall cease. That was a nice sound effect. You have entered the Pyramid of Giza. Wow, nice. Click for next level. Wow. This has got to be our device. Not that device. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. I was like, this is the one. The game is like, no, wrong. Okay. All right. Okay, okay. I guess it's this one. If I lost, I think I gamed over. Oh no, I think I lost. No more chances for me. I gotta restart it. I think I failed. I failed. That's what happens. All right, no cat here to distract me. We love the cat, but it was making it too hard. Now I will know that there's a specific device that we're looking for. Very nice intro. Simple clicking game. Yeah, but you know what I like about it? First of all, it works. Second of all, the story that you're telling. And that you're creating that story through these images. And through the narrative of the steps that we're taking along the way. So yes, a simple clicking game, but you like designed the whole thing to be a start to finish experience with some like some aspects in here that are important. Clicking the wrong device sends you in an infinite, unescapable time loop. That actually makes sense. Yeah. Oh, that's lore. Unless you refresh the page, of course. Then you're fine. Okay. Yes! Let's go. Dude. If these were drawn during the jam hour, I'm done. Like, get me out of here. But, like, also, that's, of course, not a requirement for this game jam. I would say that is never a requirement, just to be clear. In fact, I would encourage you to flip assets. Okay, I will not click on this infinite, unescapable time loop unless I refresh. Here, let's click on this one. Click! Oh. Wait, I can't click on it. I can't click on it. Is it because I zoomed? I had to zoom for some reason. Oh no, I think I can only lose. I think my only option is to pick the wrong device. Gimme. I'm trying to travel the world, man. In other times. We only got back to the ancient pyramids. I'm trying to get back to the creation of the universe. Trying to get that Big Bang gameplay. Is this correct? Am I not allowed to click on it? I'm clicking. I'm clicking so much. Click, 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 click. But it's just not enough. You didn't have time to add the clicking behavior. Oh, okay. Nice. I can't believe you guys a week from now would choose puzzle as the topic. Because, oh, I see. In the chat, it looks like Knuckle Blaster is trying to choose the topic ahead of time. Well, that would be very appropriate for this time-bending game jam. All right, I think that's the whole game. So that's the whole game. That's the whole game. I got you. I like it. I like it. I like that you took these assets and you fit them into this little experience. I'm surprised that it ended so quickly. I didn't expect it to end so quickly. You said it's working right. You said it's working right. That's it. That's the gameplay. That's the gameplay. I love it. I love the idea, okay? Truly. I kind of want more. To be honest, I want more. Like, I want to go to the beginning of the universe. I want to go to ancient Rome. I want to go to, dude, honestly, it's fun. Like, this could be a whole thing with different images and different locales. It's genuinely kind of exciting. Like, what's the next one? It's point and click, exactly. Like, it's exciting to think, what is the next thing gonna be? And where am I gonna find it? Like, that's a whole game. It's a whole game. Right, it's easy to put together, and I would imagine it's easy to expand on. I don't expect you to expand on it, but if you were to expand on it, I think you have so much available to you with how much exciting history there is in the world. And you have that simple mechanic of look for the thing and click on it, and it takes you to the next step. I think that's a nice formula, and you could do a lot with it. But you did a lot in 1 hour, and I'm proud of you. Thank you for sharing this and for putting it together. Very nice intro. Very nice intro, by the way. Thank you so much, Henry, for this entry. We got the objective up here. Like, this is a nice experience. Keep going. What do we got next? We did Neil's. Have we done Dark Rosen's? We switched on the other internet, so actually, we can do Merps next. I switched to the other internet, so let's get to Merps now. Let's do Merps now. Couldn't finish in time, submitted anyway. Good. Honestly, good. Like, I mean, you know, look at my entry. It has problems. It's not finished. We just played an entry that I was expecting there to be like 8 different locales. There were 2. And that was fun. That was great. Because we're just doing our best in a short amount of time. We can't do amazing, amazing things in a short amount of time. But we can still celebrate each other for what we do achieve. You know? Your game is not Scratch? That's good. That's good. This is good. Why not always use the internet? Oh, you really want to know? Okay. All right. Where do I start this story? So, the shortest version of this is that my partner does remote work where they have to do video calls all day. And if we both use this internet at the same time, it will cause a lot of problems for them while they're working. The other side of it is this internet will randomly cause glitches, and that just happens. And so that sucks. Now, my other internet, the one we switched from, it only allows me to use so much bandwidth. All right? We're very serious right now. It only allows me to use so much bandwidth, whether it's upload or download speed. Me coming to you right now is upload speed. When I load a Scratch game, we're using a lot of download speed. And so this other internet that I have starts to make the stream get all goofy because the upload speed goes down. So, but that internet is more stable because it doesn't randomly glitch out. And my partner isn't using it for their work. So I have to wait until later at night when my partner isn't using it for work. And it's risky because it will sometimes glitch out. Hence why it's better for me to use the other internet. Does that make sense? There you go. There's the answer. Pierogi knows. I do want to get, there is another internet alternative that I want to get someday, but I'm going to need to do like a fundraiser or something for it because I can't quite afford it yet, but we'll see. So there's a financial aspect. All right. Here's Merp's game. Aroxy, if you want to go next, we can do yours next. I would love to do yours next. I would love to do yours next. You just gotta let me know. But we're gonna do Merp's. Merp has been asking a lot, and we wanna give it the love it deserves. So it's not finished, but that's okay. We celebrate unfinishedness. Shoot asteroids to get time and ammo. Shoot the mothership to stun it. Don't get hit by the mothership. Don't run out of time. All right. Let's go. Let's get that mothership down. Whoa! Oh, shoot. Wasn't the answer boring? You see, that's why I didn't want to tell you about the internet, because it's really boring. But I thought I would at least give you what I could. So we got some working ammo here. I like that we have this healthy... Whoa! Whoa! What is going on? I have to restart? I ran out of time? Things are happening. Things are definitely happening. Whoa! Oh, the time is here. There it is. Oh, hey, this works pretty well. Oh, yeah, the green flag. That's right. How do I aim where I'm moving? Oh, whoa! Whoa, it goes backwards! Oh my gosh, your game does play backwards! This is wild. What is happening? It is rewind. It's 100% rewind. And it does look cool. Okay, remove it. Okay, so it follows the mouse. I see. It follows the mouse. It goes backwards. When the time's negative, it goes backwards. Yeah, exactly. So it follows the mouse. We press W to move. I get you now. That was like very confusing to me, but I see now. And then you said we have to stun the mothership and shoot asteroids, right? I see that the health doesn't work. Time is directly related to the speed of everything. I guess so. This is pretty fun to play around in. So then, like, the lower the time is, the slower the game goes. This is awesome. Dude, the time is changing. This is cool. So it's like super fast at first because the time is higher. And then as the time gets lower, the game gets slower. That's pretty cool. Trying to get as many of these. And I guess, oh my gosh, it goes backwards. So, look, I can still fight them. Dude, it is next level. So does that mean it's gonna go backwards faster incrementally as the time goes more negative? Wait, but it's vacillating. Oh, you made it cap. You said, no, we're not gonna do infinite negative time. It resets at -3. It seems like it could be that one project you keep making until it's perfect. I mean, so many of these games remove the cap. So many of these games in these 1 hour game jams are all amazing starts to bigger games. All of them are. I'm itching to play Henry's game with like multiple points in history, you know? It doesn't have a cap. So why does it go from negative? Is it because I die? Oh, killing asteroids increases the time. Oh, it's because I'm shooting asteroids. It doesn't have a cap. So actually, the longer I wait, the further down it's gonna go into the negatives. Wow, so you made it so that way we can actually get our time to be higher. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, see, it changes when I start shooting them. And if I turn around backwards, oh, I can rack up all these asteroids. Let's go. Now we're back at normal time. I kind of like that there's no health, because I just get to, like, play around a little bit. Uh-oh. Now we're stuck at 0. It can get stuck at 0. And now, horrifyingly, we are just suspended in space-time. We're just stuck in space-time now. Oh my gosh. That's actually very scary. It's actually very scary. Does it mean things will move super fast backwards if you don't shoot anything? I think so. It seems like they kind of get, like, that's the true death. It seems like they kind of get hung up on each other. Dude, this is a really cool concept, that you would play a game forwards and backwards. It's kind of like they sort of, like, get stuck on each other. And then I think the mothership is just, like, kind of chilling. Look at them. Whatever you're doing for the procedurality of how the asteroids are generating is really interesting. It is getting much faster, the asteroid movement. But then, see, some of them are kind of slow. So I got, oh, but look, the movement, I'm shooting super far whenever I tap W. What I love about this is that you've made like a simulation. You've made something where we can like play around and just see what happens. Just find out what happens, you know? And that's really, really cool. Oh, the flame effect is nice. It's a good gradient. I think it's the same thing that's on the mothership, which is nice. Good reuse of assets. Oh, I see. The mothership has flames. I gotcha. I thought it was like the mothership was designed that way. Still, good use. Very cool game. Look at that. Look at it like just that moment. It's like a DJ record just like reversing. It's awesome. It's super awesome. It like gives my brain tingles. But then it's like I don't even want to like get time back. Just so I can see it go backwards. Merp, you made a cool thing. Like, I hear you, Buggy, totally. 100%. But you know what? It's fun, and it's interesting, and there's like something really cool here. And I'm really grateful that you submitted this, and we got to try it. You guys can try this one for yourself. Link is in description. It's on the community tab. I'm gonna see how long I can last without the time going down. The hardest part is I just have to make sure the asteroids are actually there. The bullets reflect off the asteroids. That is cool, Merp. That is cool. But sometimes not enough asteroids come. Okay, I gotta restart it. We gotta get a lucky one. Okay, there's one. Get out of here. We got some time. We got some time. And probably the higher the time is, the more likely there are for them to appear. If I refresh it, will more appear? There's one. Oh, gotta get it in time. Give me time! Give me time! We gotta get closer to it. There we go. Oh, they do reflect. Nice touch. Don't get hit by the mothership. It takes down your time. Oh. Oh, was that part of why I was stuck in a time loop earlier? Because I was, like, getting hit by the mothership in part? It's really hard to get up positive again. Die, 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 die. Die, die, die. They're kind of hard to kill sometimes. There we go. I want to get back to positive time. That'll be my goal. I got at 0. Oh, but I didn't keep it. I didn't keep it going. I feel like I'm pooping on them. Some of them are really strong. Some of them are so strong. Oh, nope, we got stuck in time. This is the cool one. This is a really cool simulation. I love what you've set up here. Thank you for sharing it, by the way. And I'm glad we got to try it sooner than later. So, yeah. Good work. Nice one, Merp. This one is on the community tab. I don't know what it's called, but it's a good one. Check it out. Wrap your head around it. See what happens. All right, let's check out Araxi's. I think Araxi wants to go next. Based on the message Araxi sent, I think Araxi wants to go next. Made in 1 hour. Controls space. 1 button game. We got a 1 button game up in here. Nice. People are never happy with how you look, so you need to change yourself. Oh. People are never happy with how you look. I know that's right. I know that's right. A 0 input game? There actually are some 0 input games out there. Dude, what? What? I'm refreshing that right now. What just happened? Guys, I don't know if you know this, but Araxi makes very fun games at a bare minimum. And then often, Araxi makes stunning entries. You are fat. This is not what I'm preferring. I want a strong guy. Changing time. Wait, no, I want to say it again. Do it again. I'm sorry. I want to see it again. Dang it. Look at him. He's like, changing time. I love it. Oh, we're working out. Let's go. Look at that trippy background, dude. If I stop, it stops. Nice. You look stronger. I actually preferred you better as a chubby man. Oh no. Changing time. Oh, it just goes back and forth. It just goes back and forth. Body changes. Oh, and it tracks your number of body changes. Nice. Oh, no, 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 no. Where's the ending where you accept yourself for who you are and don't change your body because of others? Facts. Honestly, you're kind of spitting facts here. I mean, but look, we can't, this is the character's choice. You know, the character's choice is to make these changes, you know? They want to make those changes. Where's the ending where you eat too much and get diabetes? Yeah. It's worth it because you'll be accepted. So it makes it worth it. This is so like, you work out too much, your muscle explodes. This is honestly the like entertainment factor of this one is just explosive. This is just drenched in charm. Love the animations, love the art. This is like art. You know, you've made something very artistic. And you know, I think the questions that you ask, you wanted to add a training montage you wanted music in the training montage while lifting weights, and you can activate it using a secret button, but I'm not sure if it's copyright music. Oh yeah, I see. Thank you for being mindful of that, because that would be very unpleasant for me. Wait, I pressed the secret button. We can, if I play it very like quickly. Oh no, I activated it. I wonder if there's a way I can distort it and it can like become something that doesn't trigger anything. I don't know if I can. I think any distorts that I do are gonna just make it sound like garbage. So I'm not gonna do that. But what I can do is play it very briefly for a very short amount of time. And you can imagine. Okay? Imagine what this is like. And YouTube shouldn't pick up on it. Okay? just imagine. Put the song together in your head. That music is playing in the background. Look at this glorious effect. I want a strong guy. Poor guy. Changing time. Changing time. Let's put that effect on there. Yeah. I should play a copyrighted song? No, no thank you. YouTube gets angry. And sometimes YouTube will actually hide a video. They'll force a video to become private if something is copyrighted, depending on the license. So that's when I decided I would stop messing with it. What a fun one. I think it's a really, like, fun idea. Obviously, yes, this person has some body image issues, and they need to, like, prioritize their own needs over the needs of whoever is judging them. Of course. But, the art is extremely charming. I honestly am transfixed by it. Like, I'm still playing it because it's just so visually fun to look at. And I love the way you implemented the theme, too. Like, it's changing time. It's changing time. Like, we're making a change now. I love when the topic interpretation is something kind of, like, offbeat. I think it's a great thing. You wanted to do a different take on the thing. Yeah, I'm so glad you did. I'm so glad you did. I love the eating. I love, like, like, smashing it into your face, and then there's, like, pieces flying everywhere. I think it's delightful. Kapsh, kapsh. Yeah, the pixel art is awesome. The pixel art is awesome. Yeah, the backgrounds. I think that's part of what's transfixing me more than anything is the animated backgrounds. I'm just like, I can't stop looking at it. I don't want to stop. Why should I have to stop looking at it? Oh, and then this one too. Shh. Because it's kind of like wallpaper, but then it's just slightly moving. And there's a nice consistency too, where these lines are like diagonal and then those ones are vertical. Like this is like an exciting moment. And then this is like everyday life. There's some important artistic choices here. Ah, glorious, glorious glow gobbling. Super fun. Thank you so much for making this. It's changing time. Come on, grab your friends. Wait, I know that song. I know those lyrics. It's changing time. Come on, grab your friends. We are going to very changing lands with changing man fat and changing man skinny. It's changing that will never end. It's changing time. The ending is the character gets diabetes from these sudden and drastic changes to his body in a short period of time. Speedrun this game. I mean, I could. I could. You could. Because we could just see, like, how long it takes to get from one place to the other, right? So we could say, like, the first round... It's a little tricky. It's a little tricky. Bring out the auto clicker. It does go faster the faster you tap it. So I could speedrun. I haven't been speedrunning. I don't feel like speedrunning today. There's just not a lot of speedrunning entries. If there were more speedrunning entries, I would. Beautiful, beautiful game, Araxi. I love that you chose something different for the theme. Well done. Have we gotten through them all? Was that the last one? Nuh-uh. There's one more, right? Merps. Knuckle Blasters. Dragon Blade. That was the last one. That wasn't all of them? Dark Rosens! Dark Rosens! You see? You see? This is why I have to ask. Could you imagine if I missed it? I tried to count early on. Useless. Can I submit another one? You can submit it, but we don't got time to play it. Alright. The finale, the grand finale, is Dark Rosen's game. Time Glider. My idea was a skydiver who can speed up or reverse his own time by using the up and down arrow. Ooh. Other objects like clouds and capsules do not change their time. If you bump into one of those, you will die. Ooh, what's your best time? Post in the comments. Oh, we can speedrun this one. This one is made for speedrunning. Well, then I would be honored to. I would be more than happy to speedrun it. Okay, up or down arrows to speed up or reverse time of the time glider. Exciting. All right. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, I lost immediately. I immediately lost. I lost right away. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I see. We're moving up and down. I got it, I got it, I got it. Are these good? Those are bad. We got to avoid things. Oh, shoot. Okay. All right. It's a lot slower on your... Oh, no. I'm playing a harder one? I'm playing a harder one? Oh, my gosh. Let me put this over here so it's not blocking the time. That might still block the time. Let's put it over here. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Careful, careful. Be careful. Be good. So this is kind of trippy, like, in terms of a concept. Like, functionally... Oh, shoot! Functionally, we're sort of like moving the world around the character. Oh, right. The game you made last time was the opposite. Where on your computer it was faster, and on this one it's slower. But for this game, it's the other way around. How do we make sense of this? Now, I'm assuming it gets harder. I think more things are spawning in. I'm kind of curious to, like, see, like, if I go infinitely. Oh, shoot. You have to cap frame rate for Godot in your world's ready script. Delta time, I guess. Oh, interesting. In the ready script. That's a hot tip, Dungeon. That's a hot tip. So functionally, the game is about moving the level around this, like, one spot. And if you hit that spot with something, you'll be in trouble. But conceptually, You got 60 seconds? Conceptually, we're actually reversing time? So what are we moving through? Like, can I get some more lore? I love the gameplay. I also really like how the objects go in front of the text. Like, that alone is really cool. The number, the like seconds. Skydiving. So are we going down onto the ground? So the sky, I guess. Oh, so like these are like, oh, we gotta beat 60 seconds. I'm gonna be super honest. I have no idea how this is time. I don't know how this is time, but I want to believe that it's time. Oh, and it remembers your best. Oh, I love that. I love that. I see that there is time. This is very fun. I enjoy this tremendously. You've made it easier for me to speedrun than I'm used to in these jams. Okay. Gotta be very serious. Oh, shoot. It's hard because, like, sometimes I feel like I don't have enough time. So there's a luck element. Oh my gosh. Like, I wonder if I can plan ahead, or there's certain choices I can make. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, shoot. I love the color palette. Your color palette is really good. This, like, muted blue, and then the red and the yellow. I don't know. It looks really good with the white. It just kind of comes together really well. It looks like fancy. Oh, oh. Okay, 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 okay. All right, all right. We got this. We got this. We're surviving. I'm not dead yet. Oh, oh. Careful. Gotta react as soon as possible. As soon as I see it appear on the screen on the right edge, I gotta start moving. Huh. Oh, what was I gonna do? What was I gonna do? Okay, okay. All right. Here we go. We gotta beat 60 seconds at least. Okay, no problem. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Oh, that was tough. If I had gone the other way, I wouldn't have made it. Oh, okay. We're fine. Everything's fine. Oh, my God. Oh, did that just move out of my way? Love it. I love that it moved out of my way. Thank you for moving out of my way. Oh, 49. That's still my best. Okay. I don't know if I can do it. I'll give myself 5 more tries. That one doesn't count. That was too short. 5 more good tries. Keep on playing because the hitbox being a complete square. Keep on dying because the hitbox is a complete square. Oh, yeah, because, like, you want to think you can just barely dodge it. Not so. Not so. I mean, if this is skydiving, if you're in the air, you probably don't want to cut it too close next to things. That would be pretty dangerous. So you know what? I'll allow it. Oh! I played for 10 minutes straight, and my best was 28. You played for 10 minutes straight? Are you talking about your game? Are you playing your own game right now, my 2 cents? Or are you talking about this one? Because this one seems like it has... Oh, I see what you're saying. You're saying you played for 10 minutes straight, and it kept... Wow. I see what you're saying. Knuckle Blaster got 32. I see what you're saying. You kept trying over and I thought you were saying you survived for 10 minutes and you only got 28 seconds. I was like, that sucks. That's not fair. I think luck. I got 49, but I think that was luck. Either you're unlucky or you suck. I think it's possible there's both going on. Not trying to throw shade at you or anything. I'm just saying. It's possible. This is addictive. This one fits into the category of addictive. Because every time I'm just like, yeah, luck plus reaction time. And I think that there's a nice balance of reaction time there because it makes me think I can do it. Like, I can do this. I can do this. Because sometimes I know it was my fault and I could have made a different choice. Sometimes it's like, what was I going to do? But it tempts me. It calls me. Is there a way to go up? We can go up, yeah. We can go up all day. Unless we hit something. Can you just go up infinitely and avoid everything? It's kind of like there's two different modes. There's going up and there's going down. There's not like more up or more down. You're either just going up or down. So we can't like go super up. Oh, see, that was my fault. I planned bad for that one. I planned bad for that one. I know I said 5 more tries probably like a while ago, but I'm going to say 3 more tries now. It speeds up when the player goes down and reverses when the player goes up. Oh, so there is a time thing. Really? Wait, it reverses? What reverses? You mean the speed goes back down? I'm confused. It speeds up and then reverses? Because that's what I was trying to ask. If, like, there's, like, a time element here. Because I feel like you did put a time element in here. I just don't know what it is. Dark Rose, and this is some important information. I'm going to need this information because I'm trying to stop playing this game, but I can't stop playing it because I keep thinking I can do better. And now you've got me thinking. Oh, you were thinking to change the timer speed, but didn't. I see. So there isn't some secret mechanic that I'm missing that I very much need to know about that you're not telling me. Okay. This is the one. I can feel it. I mean, except for the luck part of it. I can't feel that part. Oh my gosh. There might be? What are you... How dare you? There isn't. Okay. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Oh crap! Oh jeez. Oh man. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh shoot. Oh god. Oh, what the... did you see that fake me out? Okay, I gotta get better than 49. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. 52! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh no! Ah! No! 56! Ah! It's fine. I'm fine. Cap your monitor frame rate. That's a good idea. Oh my gosh. If you didn't see it, you wouldn't believe it. Guys, I don't think I can beat 60. I don't think I can beat 60. I don't think I can do it. I think that's the best I can do, guys. Oh my gosh. We got everyone's game, right? Please tell me we got everyone's game. That's the best I can do with Time Glider. I tried, but that's the best I can do. Cap it to 1 FPS, you'll get 60 easily. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like that's gonna be a bad idea. Make your monitor frame rate 1 so your character barely moves. You guys try it and let me know what happens. Yeah, it seems like the speed does change. It's weird. But hey, maybe you guys can get a better score than me. I don't know if we can get a better score than Dark Rose, and Dark Rose got 60. but I got 56.9. What's your score? You guys can post your scores in the comments of the video, in the chat. I'd love to know. It seems like I got the high score here, besides Dark Rosen. But Dark Rosen made it, so it doesn't count. But I'd love to know what your guys' scores are. All the games that we checked out today, you can get to by following the link in the description box. There's an itch.io link in there, and you will find your way here. Don't forget to check out the community tab as well. There's an amazing mechanic in here from Dragon Blade, and a game from Merp and Knuckle Blaster that you guys should check out as well. Very, very cool submissions this time around. You guys all had such creative interpretations of this topic. I'm really proud of how much variety there was in this topic. There was so, like, every game was different. Really, really cool. And, whoa, Knuckle Blaster just got 60! What? What? 340? What? That doesn't even make sense. Really? Guys, I think my score has been crushed. Well done. Good job. Yours is real? You got 340? You really did? Well, in that case, Merp Maker may be the best. I mean, that's a very long while. If you did it, congrats. I congratulate you. I congratulate you. Why? It's not. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I'm gonna ban you. I'm gonna ban you one of these days, Merp. Not today, but one of these days. No, that's not cool. It's honestly annoying. I honestly don't appreciate it. Please don't do that. It irritates me. Okay, so anyway, guys. Anyway, I gotta give some love to the awesome people who support this channel. I'm so thankful to them. Here are some paid patrons. I'm about to do a live stream. I'm about to do another live stream. We did this live stream, but I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do another one right after this. If you wanna join me, you can. I'm gonna work on my game a little more. If you go to patreon.com/hypergamedev. You can join the Patreon for free. You'll sign up with your email, and in your email inbox, you will get the live stream that I'm about to do. If you haven't signed up yet, you can actually find it today, right in here. All right, so there's the live stream that I'm about to do. It's gonna start like very soon. It's about to start as soon as this is over, all right? And then I also do a newsletter with it, so check that out if you're interested. The YouTube members and the people who donate on YouTube, I am also so thankful to you guys. I am so thankful to you guys. I appreciate it. You can join, of course, by going to the channel page or probably clicking on this page and hitting join. And you can get this if you are a paid patron, an entire live stream I do every Monday. Every Monday, I do this super chunky live stream that comes with the paid plans. So thank you if you're able to support Hyper Game Dev that way. That's my way of giving back to you for doing it. So thank you for supporting it. Other than that, y'all, look at all these things we got open. I'm gonna work on my game in this after show. I'm about to do an after show. And I'm gonna work on my game. I'm gonna play my 2 cents game a little bit more, because I got that game on my mind. That game was really cool, and I'm gonna work on my game and fix it up a little bit. So come join me in the after show if you're interested. Again, that's at patreon.com/hypergamedev. If you're watching this after the live stream and you actually made it this far, what the heck? Thank you for making it this far. What? What are you doing here? I love you. You can tap or click in the bottom left to see the last game jam, or you can tap or click in the bottom right to see the next one. That's if you're watching this after the live stream. You can tap on those things. So I'll see you guys there. Take care, and thank you everybody for joining. Goodbye.